Hello, I'm Jimmy from Mousehat Games. Yesterday I started my winter vacation and I'll be on vacation for the next week or two, which means no new Logic World Wednesdays videos. But today several of our beta testers organized a live-streamed group play session, and I decided to record my perspective from that event and make it a bonus video to tide you over through the break in our regular videos. I had a super fun time today playing with our awesome testers. We found a lot of bugs, particularly bugs with multiplayer, which has not been tested very much before today, but that's wonderful. I mean, that's what the beta is for, finding bugs. We also built a lot of cool stuff together, and we had some really good conversations about the design and programming of Logic World. I had an amazing time because for the first time in a very long while, I was just playing the game for fun, instead of testing features or specifically searching for bugs. Just a quick note before we begin, the beta is invite only, and we are not looking for more testers right now. Already we have an overwhelming amount of feedback to deal with when we return from vacation, so I ask that you please don't ask for beta invite. Please just have patience as we finish the game for you. As soon as we're back from break, we'll be working harder than ever to get Logic World finished and into your hands, and it won't be too much longer now. Okay, I barely edited this video, so there are probably a lot of boring parts. Feel free to skip around. But I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you see something cool in it that you like. Peace for now, and I'll see you in a couple of weeks.
Right?
Oh,
Yikes.
certainly. The whole reason I have you guys testing this is so we can find all the issues with servers and I can fix them when I'm back from vacation. Not yet.
Yeah.
Um,
Can you help me? I need to place this board flat.
Uh,
I feel like
the
Thing.
with the chairs.
yeah, bottom board.
Braziel, you right-click on a board to change it from standing to flat.
Fuck! I just
Yeah, I know I
Uh-oh.
have, but it doesn't do it on the correct base, and I've been trying
Oh, I
to
mean-
everything.
I just deleted it by
I
accident.
now
That's,
sir.
What'd you delete?
his dinner. His dinner
Uh,
table.
No.
No, I
Rip.
what?
There's
There's
I'm
no
still
idea.
used
Oh my
to
God.
E and R being rotate.
Did you change the controls? Because those are still the default controls.
Well, R is delete now, isn't it?
Yeah, R is delete, R for remove. Because I use T for chat.
Yes. No, I remember when R was rotate though, or it was at least at some point on my computer.
Holy sh...
Oh,
I can no longer interact with my hotbar or open the inventory. Okay.
Oh, that's a
Oh,
problem.
that
Oh,
happens
there it
to
goes.
me. That happens
Oh,
to me
no.
in single player. Just reload.
Yeah. Spamming escape fixed it.
Oh.
That's bizarre.
Yeah, because I think it
Very
like glitches
interesting.
out thinking it's in the resize menu.
this
Okay.
is your language, Jimmy.
That
I
sounds
remember you
reasonable.
talking, Jimmy,
Yes, Ryan.
with a question. I remember you talking about the stochastic whatever texture thing, but there doesn't seem that it's in the beta version.
This game
Yeah, it might
isn't
be
Logic
different.
World anymore.
That's
Minecraft
correct. All
too.
the fancy ground
Jimmy,
rendering
why
tech.
are you?
What?
Okay, never mind.
Yes, Ryan.
You just like phased me through my wall.
I apologize for ignoring your wall. Ryan, that's
Well,
correct.
you pushed me through it.
I apologize for
Alright.
pushing you through your wall. Ryan, that's correct. The fancy ground texturing technology is not merged yet. It will be coming in a beta version soon-ish. But yeah, it's obviously not here because you can see the grid lines.
Yeah.
Also, this ground texture is like, it's not permanent. This is a placeholder. It does not fit the style of the components.
Yeah, and also I'm assuming it's all like the other things are gonna get fixed. Like I tried the terminal and it looks absolutely like it looks like just so weird right now.
Yeah, yeah, whoa, that's a lot of flags.
Can we can we stop with that maybe? I think that's probably not a good idea. I feel like this is gonna cause issues.
Yeah, let's avoid
There's
issues for the
another-
stream, maybe.
Who
I'm
did that?
I'm getting rid of
You
this.
complain
It's gone.
about not being able to reconnect, and then you keep doing things to purposely disconnect yourself. So I don't really know.
There are a bunch more chairs over here. I'm gonna start removing them.
There's
will
a wall
assist.
out here.
Anyways, I think I was answering someone's question about something. Can someone remind me?
Oh yeah, I'm talking about like why is it like isn't gonna get fixed? Like is it like right now the tongue ruled? I tried it and it looks like just so weird.
Yeah,
Things like
so
that gonna get fixed.
so the big problem with the tongue world is the lighting, particularly on the tree shaders. The current version of Unity's universal render pipeline does not support global illumination on trees. But the version of URP that we'll be upgrading to soon does, and it will look a lot better then. So yeah,
Okay, did that even look like the tongue world did?
yes, the tongue world looks
Right.
bad, but it will look better soon. I mean, as good as that world can
Okay.
look. I'm going to try to get it looking essentially exactly like it does in Tongue, because, you know, that's the point of it.
By making a therapist office, that's a good idea.
So this was mentioned a few times by a few people, but I think I've figured out what's causing it. Whenever a player connects, whoever
Yeah.
was the last player to connect before them suddenly appears beside me and shoves me around for a good 10 seconds and then teleports elsewhere.
Oh, that happens to me. If I don't know if anyone has my stream up muted, but Jimmy was just like pushing me every single time someone
yeah.
joined, pushing me through a
Like I
wall.
said, some people have had the issue, and I think because Sten was joining and then Ryan came over and started
Yeah.
shoving me around and teleported away.
Also, I don't know about you guys, but if I open my console, I see a bunch of spam that says no player at index and then an index number.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
probably
Yeah.
related, if I had to take a guess.
Oh, yeah, I see no player at index. Also, I've seen because if you look at this dude stream thing.
Hi, Jimmy.
Hey,
I'm just installing my flat screen TV.
absolutely wonderful.
Oh, this again. I've had some issues like if the console has lots of things in it. Sometimes the console just takes a while to load. Is that this?
That's the console being kind of bad. I'm planning to basically totally replace the console. Not totally replace, but I'm planning some major changes to the console to make it a lot less bad. So, yeah, stay tuned for those.
Okay. So I thought my computer. Or something.
I've marked out the corner of the world.
Well done. Can I teleport to it?
Like all the way to the.
Hey, Tokame.
Yeah.
Reset this
And Christian
flag.
and Drake.
Okay, I've made a flag.
Whoa, delightful.
How do you put up the telephone?
F7.
Simply
Thank you, I was just looking
delicious.
for that.
I think it and it doesn't work.
Delectable.
Oh, there it is. Like to grant.
Oh, there is legitimately just a world border there.
I
Like
got double teleported.
you can teleport to the gigantic Bosak game.
This is working.
F7, corner of the world.
So far, anyways.
Okay, it's
yeah,
been so
you're
cool
here
to
at
watch
the
you all
corner
teleported.
of
That
the
just looks
entire-
awesome.
Wait, where are we teleporting to?
The corner. Hit F7 and then go to corner of the world.
Yeah. Hey. So this is the big wonder. Now go to the end. Go to the top of the corner.
Oh boy.
Top of the corner.
It's gonna be about
You think
15.
that's even possible? You know what?
It is. It's 15 kilometers in the air. Here, if you open your console and do this command. If you do that command, then you'll go there.
Question: What is the command to set a via the console?
Set a what?
Config option via the console.
There is not
Like,
one yet.
say-
Sorry.
Oh, okay. Okay. So I'd have to restart my client and modify.
Yeah, that's correct. Secret settings can presently only be changed when the game is closed.
Oh no, I'm talking like breaking the. Oh no, you can just type in any number, right?
Oh no!
Yeah.
I don't even know where I am. I literally can't see anything.
Oh no, that's captcha 330.
Okay, let's.
Give me-
I will do
I can't change vertical flying speed above 30 via the
There we go.
numerical input.
No,
I'm
there,
going back to the start.
Cats, there is a secret setting to allow setting the numerical inputs beyond their values. So if you, yeah.
Okay, see, because I remembered you talked about being able to do that. So,
Mhm.
okay, I'm gonna restart my client because I want that.
Like, I need to do something like, it's really funny. Like, messing around with this
Oh,
command.
Jimmy, how are you today, by the way?
Uh,
I am pretty good.
this is
I'm
Look.
It's very good.
Yeah, I started reading
think-
Pride and Prejudice, which I've been meaning to do for ages, and it's very good, and I'm excited about it.
I'm
Jimmy,
assuming that's
how
about
do you
pride
come
and
back to
prejudice.
spawn?
Too many people talking at once. I can't respond to any of those things.
Can you build on other players?
Yeah, you cannot. You can, here, Broyujo, meet me at spawn.
Okay.
Hello.
Stenodion, hit F7 and then teleport to the flag that says world spawn. There you go. Okay, now Broyujo, jump on my head.
I'm
Like,
tiny.
stand on top of my head. Okay, you're standing on it?
Yeah.
Now look at this, you can just ride other players.
That's very cool.
Yeah, it's cool. Is that kind of the kinematic player things?
Sort of. It's because, like, I mentioned that I added support for moving platforms because it was fairly straightforward to do, and also I want to have, like, moving parts. Oh my god, we got a Tower 3, this is amazing. Like, in a post 1.0 update, I want to have moving parts in Logic World. So then I realized, hey, I could just make the players use that moving platform code, and then you'd be able to stand on them. So I did that.
Look, oh boy, look how tiny my god, look how tiny I am. What? Oh, does it set you back
By
to
the way, Jimmy, are you aware that the
That's correct, Ryan.
user is able? Are you aware
Why is
that
it
by default the
technically-
user is able to set a greater than 1 crouch scaling value?
No, that's a
allowed at
bug.
1.1. So you can grow ever so slightly taller.
That's kind of hilarious.
I tried that earlier. That was a good meme.
Yeah, where's the color? How do you do? Okay.
I gotta say, like, there's some problems, there are some bugs, but I'm amazed at how well the game is holding up with such a big multiplayer session. Like, before today,
Yeah, this is
there's only been
surprisingly
serious
better than I
testing
thought it would
with,
be.
like, 2 or 3 players connected at once. And how many do we have here? Like, 10?
I think we said 8.
Okay, but, like, still, everything's, like, pretty much fine, and that's amazing to me. I'm proud of myself and Felipe for doing stable network code. Wait, I should bring up the chat.
Oh, are they doing with this? Yes. Actually, very funny. If you can set your player scale to be like tiny, like you.
Indeed you can, or you can do...
Hello, Jimmy. Watching stream chat. Oh, I fucked up. didn't I?
Hey, Ryan.
Literally, look at this. Yeah.
What the hell's happening over here?
Wait, what the hell? I would like you to look up in the sky. Look at me. Witness me.
I don't see you.
Experience the Jimmy. Ryan is
Okay,
currently on
let's-
top of me.
Okay, I'll
Wait.
set my player scale back to actually. It's really funny is when you approach, it sets your player scale back to normal. Okay, now I'm back to normal.
Hey Jimmy, there's a misspelling in the secret settings.
Oh, shoot.
Start
What is
with
it?
no lich enabled.
Oh, no. Thanks for catching that. I'm not going to fix it now. Remind
Oh,
me
I love
about it
it.
when I'm back to work.
While I'm here, what's the name of the setting to allow unconstrained numerical values?
Hold on while I respond to Woo, and then I'll look it up for you.
Okay. Because there's a lot of settings in here.
Yeah, it's just really funny. And then I'm trying to do like something silly, like trying to see it. Like I've literally like made a theme where everything was just black, just to see like how silly, like what like silliness you can do in this game. Oh, that would be really cool is if you could like copy and paste stuff from the chat.
Oh, yeah, I tried to add that, but there were glitches, and I was like, fuck it, I've already spent enough time on the chat. I'm gonna leave it for now. Yeah, I agree. You should be able to select text in chat and copy it. The issues was happening because, like, you can also click on links in chat, and clicking on links was interfering with, like, clicking on text to copy it. So there's some issues that need to be sorted there.
Yeah, that sounds interesting.
I know you were talking about there being bugs and stuff, but the way that a lot of programs like browsers handle the UI for that, the UX for that is you hold Alt to be able to click and select on link without clicking on the link.
Yes.
It's really handy.
That's a great idea to just copy the way browsers do it.
While I have you again, what's the name of that secret setting?
Oh, I sent it in the game chat.
Oh, okay. I'm not in the my client's not running right
Oh, okay. It's logic right, duh. Okay. It's a logic settings.secret.allow manually setting slider values out of range.
Okay, now where is that? Because I
use Control F, buddy.
Master has a bunch of secret settings in it. No, that's not. Say it again, please.
Logic settings.secret.allow manually setting slider values out of range. Or
yeah, it's not. It's not in here.
Okay, I'll just DM it to you.
Well, not sure you can do this.
Okay,
But
Jimmy.
you know how you can have labels that have like any text you want on them?
I do.
Yeah, can you do? Is there a way to do that with like images? So you can put like an image on the label?
No plans for that, no.
Oh, it's so cool.
You can presently put font awesome glyphs on labels, so if you go to fontawesome.com, you can find something there and put it on a label. And we will eventually have emoji support, but that is a deceptively tricky thing to add and very low priority, so no emojis yet.
Okay.
Something I was thinking about earlier on the topic of
Game
labels, and I
ruined.
was gonna think about it some more before putting in feedback, but
Oh, come on.
it'd be cool if
Oh,
labels, the contents of the label would like auto-rotate to face you.
Hmm.
So the label doesn't have like an orientation beyond the shape, the model itself. Like the text doesn't have an orientation.
It's like you're thinking similar to
rotates
how
be the best visible.
you're thinking similar to how player name tags work?
No, it'd still be like on those 90-degree increments, and it'd be like on the label.
Right.
but
Okay.
Just like it would orient it so that's like the bottom of the page is always towards you, like
Right.
but
So.
on that axis and at 90 degrees increments. It would be difficult to do, fairly difficult to do.
No, it
probably
wouldn't.
pretty costly.
It'd
so you'd
be
have to have a max
It'd be
range.
super simple. It'd be like 2 lines of code. But I think I'm gonna reject that idea for vanilla and say make a mod if you want it, because I want everything that you can build in the game to be like a believable physical object, something that you could, build in real life, and you'd say, yeah, that could exist. Which
I don't know if my point's separate. Finish yours.
Question, Jimmy.
Hold on, Ryan. Yeah, like I'd like you to be able to like 3D print anything you build in the game without any like major problems. So I'm gonna regret that on the grounds that I want the game to stay believable. Not regret, reject. Excuse me, I'm tired.
Reject. I was like, regret, bruh. My character just duplicated itself and appeared, and I could see it.
Whoa,
on
that's
stream.
wild.
And Kokome dropped a lull,
Jimmy.
so that was pretty funny.
Yeah, there seem to be some bugs with when players join and leave the game that the clients do not know what the hell's going on. So I'll fix that later.
Jimmy.
Yes, Ryan.
Right now there's this bug, like whenever I get this like one, like even key is not part of the generator, I have to like quit the game. If I do it in the menu, it'll just get stuck on the game is loading.
Ryan, I could barely understand that. I think you're very far from your microphone, and also you have a bad connection, so I don't know what you just said.
Okay, basically, whenever I get this, like, given key was not present in the dictionary error, I can try to press the menu, but it will just get stuck at the game is loading wall.
Okay, that's helpful information. I'm not going to investigate that bug right now. I'm on vacation, so, let's try. You can help me hunt that down when I'm back to work.
Okay.
I enjoy this auditorium seating, this giant grid of chairs with just like a few chairs that are a special color. It reminds me of those like motivational posters about how you're special because you stand out from the crowd because you're not the same color as them. Oh god, that sounds racist. Shit.
Jimmy.
Yeah. Oh, come on. Why am I getting this stupid error?
I don't know.
Hello, picture server.
Yes, Red, I agree there should be a German flag without extra stuff on them, but actually, I think this is the first time I'm talking about this publicly, but I don't really like how flags have turned out, and I'm gonna be, like, majorly changing them. I thought it would work at first, but I've decided that having real-world symbology in my fantasy game is just not working. I don't like it. So I'm gonna replace them with a system that's like Minecraft's banner system, but, like, way better. So you can design your own flags in game,
Ooh.
and with those tools you'll be able to
Like
make.
that.
Yeah, me too. Thank you. And with those tools, among other things, you'll be able to make a German flag without the extra stuff. So make a auto flag maker machine. Nice.
So yeah, basically, like look, like you can like that'd be really. So yeah, but still, like would you like Logic World and Mouse Hack Games like or something like that?
The Logic World and Mouse Hack Games logos will probably be like symbols that you can add anywhere you want on the flag. And I'll probably like let you type words on the flag. So yeah, we'll see. I haven't like done any work on the system beyond thinking about it. I'm pretty sure I know how I want it to work, but like there's way higher priority things to do first, so it's not a focus at all.
Okay, come on, Logic World. This is like the 10th time I've turned you up. These work.
Yeah, I'm having issues connecting as well.
Server loading, the game loading.
I just have issues connecting when I change any of the settings in the configuration files.
Okay.
Interesting.
But
Okay.
when I get rid of them, I can join. Fine.
So in chat, Mr. Drake asks, will mods still be able to add custom flags? And so could we still have, say, a country flag pack? So again, like I haven't thought about this system, like I haven't done any work on the system, so no promises. But what I'm planning to do is that mods will be able to add like custom symbols and patterns that you can add on your custom flags. And that like you'll be able to have a list of saved patterns similar to the current like list of flags, which mods could add to. So yeah. Oh, and also yes, by the way, I'm planning to release the way flags currently work, where they just load a single texture as a mod. So if you still want this, you can like install the mod and add country flags there.
Okay. So yeah, also have to make sure there's still compatibility.
I'm not terribly worried about compatibility right now. It's a beta, but yeah, once the game comes out, yes, compatibility will be important.
Yeah. It's like once the game releases, any components that are in the game will stay in the game.
That's correct. Unless I have a very good reason for removing them.
Okay.
Red, you have a fantastic house. I love it. It's beautiful.
I would see it, but my game's stuck. So packed. Oh.
Yes, some Morse code television.
Absolutely delightful.
Alright. Well, I
That's
messaged
cool.
Wu after 2K, so hopefully he'll fix this.
That's very
Optimistic.
yeah, I'm failing to connect as well.
Sucks. Yeah, it's weird because there are messages in chat that say "For love of cats left the game," but no messages that say you joined the game. So I don't know what's going on there.
Side issue. I'm thinking it's a client-side issue.
Yeah, I don't know. Are you
go try to find the?
Are you restarting the game in between connection attempts?
The game crashes.
Oh.
And you need to load the main menu
Okay,
after the
so
error.
yes, you are.
So yeah. Yes, I am. As is Ryan. From what he's been saying.
Okay, I finally was able to do it.
Oh.
Yeah.
By the way, the fact that the Direct Connect remembers the server IP is a very, very nice touch. I am very
Thank you, thank you. I was very careful to add that because I lose my mind when a game doesn't do that.
Actually, I have a question, Jimmy. Will there be able to be flags that, like, don't wave? Because I was having, like, tried to make, like, a modern thing using a flag. It was constantly waving, making it look weird.
I have no plans in vanilla for making a flag that doesn't wave, but it would be crazy easy for a mod to add it. Like, if you look at a flag and start resizing it, you'll notice it doesn't wave while it's in resizing mode. So, like, a mod can just call that code anytime it wants.
Haven't I, like, suggested, like, 5 or 6 times that... Because you talked about having a space world, right?
Mm-hmm.
And how I was brought up the fact that the flags on the moon... There's multiple flags.
Yes, yes.
Has the crossbar on the top to make sure that it stays up, but it doesn't wave because there's no air pressure.
Right. Yeah, that's maybe we'll do something like that. We will see. It's not something I consider high priority at the moment. I hope you'll understand.
Mm-hmm.
How many worlds do you expect there to be, like, when the game launches?
At least 3 non-secret world types.
Okay.
Ryan, you were able to get into the server, correct?
Hell yeah.
Yeah, I left the server because of the error.
Yeah, I think if you restart the server, then you two should be able to connect. I'm not 100% sure, but I think that would fix it.
Well, it says other people, Rubek said other people are lying, so it would be nice to do it.
Well, I mean, we'd all have to reconnect as well, but that's not a big deal. It's 2 button clicks for those of us who need to reconnect.
Yeah.
Hey, Red, come here, I have a question. Red, get over here. What the hell is this? I'll let it slide for now.
What was it? I don't know. I can't
Teleport to Red's house. Oh, you're not connected, so you can't see it. But when you get on, go to Red's house, and you will see the art. Yes, there's a flag on his rooftop.
Oh, yeah, I saw that. I did check the flag teleport flag.
Oh my god, I love this game's music. We have the best music. And dang it, somebody just played a noisemaker, which canceled the music.
We the best music. DJ Khaled.
Red, I forgive you this time.
So I had muted the music before streaming earlier today because I wasn't quite sure how much you wanted to not be heard or to be heard.
So the thing I don't want to be heard yet is the Logic World main theme. I want to save the reveal of that for the release date trailer. But in the current version of the game, that song is disabled from playing ever, so don't worry about hiding it.
Okay, cool, awesome.
All the songs that are in the game file, like, they can be played, like, on a video or a stream.
Correct.
Perfectly fine, right?
Yep, go for it. Marku is very enthusiastic about having his music played on stream, so go wild.
So I'm not sure if I could stream. I don't have a mic. The way I'm doing, like the way I make these videos with, like, the voice is, like, a really, like, bad way.
Sorry?
The way I'm making, I don't have a mic, like, the way I'm making videos with voice is, like, a really bad way.
Sorry, I was totally thinking about something else and not listening to you at all. I'm really sorry. Can you repeat it a third time?
I don't think I could stream because I don't have a mic. Like, the way I like make the videos with voice is like a bad way.
Ah, yes, and no
Like, it's,
offense, but
like,
your voice
not-
sounds kind of bad right now as well.
Yeah, I'm using my phone. It's more of what I how I do it.
Yeah, it'd be, I mean, if you can find a better microphone to just, like, borrow from someone, I mean, that'd be wonderful. Otherwise, you can make videos and streams without speaking. Plenty of folks do. But yeah, it's all up to you. You can do whatever you want. Is WooX still on the call? I think we need to restart the server. Things are getting dangerously fucky. No, he's not.
He hasn't been in this call at all.
No,
They have
you would
not
have
been in the call
to
at all.
text chat him.
Everything.
Does that mean I'm gonna lose part of what my house built?
The server should autosave on exit, so you should be okay.
He also programmed it not to save if there were errors.
He did do that. I'm not sure what would happen then.
Oh, when you start the server, you have to get rid of the map.
No. Yeah, the server will automatically load the same world the next time it's started.
That's not what Wooks is saying, so I'm assuming that there's some other thing happening that...
Yeah, Woo has
not
made a
aware of.
script that every time, if the server encounters an error, it will stop auto-saving, and then not save. Because we were having some issues with world corruption bugs on servers earlier, and we don't want that. So...
Yeah, there's a save in bugs that I lost because of a bug.
Okay.
Well, rip in pieces.
Why can't you build things on moving platforms or like anything that isn't stationary?
Two reasons. Number one, optimization. It's way easier to make rendering fast if the thing is stationary than if it's moving. And two, simplicity. Just the code is way simpler if we assume nothing ever moves. So that's why. But I do plan again on adding moving parts in a post 1.0 update. So.
That's funny though. This is
Can anyone
red,
see
like,
me?
And so
Cats, no, I cannot see you. I don't know where you... Oh, I can see you. Yay, there you are. Hello. You're so tiny. Wait. Let me zoom in. Where the... Okay, can you crouch and uncrouch again so I have an idea where you are? Okay, crouch. Crouch. Oh, I can see you. You're so tiny. You're so cute.
0.01 crouch scale.
I want to pick you up and like pinch your little cheeks.
Oh
Oh my
God,
god!
someone put a switch on
You
me.
killed him!
Someone put a switch on me.
You squished
I'm
him!
squished. By the way, the close clipping plane on the player is a bit far away from the camera.
like the house thing that I made.
It's delightful, Ryan. I love it.
Yeah.
Build a circuit starter pack. Oh my god.
Red, can you move? Thank you. Oh, jeez! Everyone look out the windows.
Well, the first time I seen this in multiplayer, it sort of actually looks like you're sleeping.
I can step on people. I can just, like, walk up on people. Who is that?
You know, I think this is the first working bed in the game.
Yeah. I cannot think of any other anyone who built a bed before you, so congratulations. You will always be the first.
I must go. My people need me. Oh my god, how big am I? Am I
Damn,
invisible?
boy, he's thick.
Holy
Does
shit.
someone take a screenshot and send it to
Yes.
me? Because I want to see this.
Oh my god.
I mean, you can watch you can open my stream right now if you want.
That's true.
Here, I'll send it in the spam channel in the main Logic World Discord.
Okay.
my screenshot is 4K, unlike Daniel's measly 720p. So you know.
Actually, my screenshots are 1440, but my
Well.
stream is 720.
See, it just looks
Sad.
like I'm close to you.
It's very hard to get a sense of scale with the bobbies because like
Oh my god, you can just walk so fast. I'm just
yeah,
like,
player
"Alright,
movement
I'm out.
bye.
That's right.
Yeah, player movement speed is
I can
dependent on
barely
their
see you
scale.
all. I figured.
It looks very cool to watch you like fading into the distance and watch the atmosphere.
I'm falling.
Oh
I'm
god.
Slowly falling. I'm gonna die. Crunch.
Crunch.
Look,
Welcome back to
sitting
Earth,
on-
sir. Oh shit, what's this?
Uh,
This is ground
look.
control to Major Bobby.
It's somewhat. It's just like someone copying and pasting something. Which is
Hey, idiot.
Or just
You
like
can
that.
fly in this game. You don't need staircases. What are you doing?
Why fly when you can expand?
World, and I found out that
Holy
building
fuck.
things between gravity boundaries is broken.
Oh, I'm flying up now for some reason.
I'm not
That
gonna
happened to
lie,
me.
I'm just trying to fix that, but
Oh my god, he's gone.
Oh my god.
Can someone place a flag, please, so I can teleport to it?
Well, you'll
Yeah.
fall down eventually. That happened.
Oh yeah,
that
no,
happened
I'm
to
going
me
down,
the other
I'm going
day.
down.
Yeah.
I'm coming down.
Yeah.
Oh lord.
Cat-
Ah,
we're gonna
God.
fly.
I enabled
Like, who changed
a.
my flag? Who changed my flag?
I changed its name to Ryan's house, and then I enabled teleport on it. But that's all I did.
Okay, well, someone changed it to a Scottish flag for some reason.
Odd.
Yeah. What the? Who made this? Someone called the. Also, that's. Yeah. It's really cool. I made like a little test world where I did like I put like some things into this house. I tried to make it sort of like electrical, like real like electricity.
I see.
And it was like cool. 'Cause, yeah, I have it in world. I think if you want to test it out. And yeah, certain things like stop working when the electricity's off.
Can I ask who made this very glorious looking tree scene over here?
Ooh, I believe that's
I believe that was
Wux's.
Luke's.
Yeah,
It looks very nice.
it is. It's beautiful.
It is very pleasing to the eye.
I'm always like a little bit surprised when people use Logic World for art, you know, for 3D like pixel stuff. And delighted because like it's not designed for that at all, but it works so well. It's such a interesting style. Voxels, that's the word I was searching for. Thanks, Red. But it's not voxels because they're like flatter than voxels.
Sure. They're like I don't know, box of rid. Yeah, it's literally just like randomly play certain components. Oh, someone's building. Why is someone's literally building a circuit board tower?
How quaint.
I like that.
Yeah, it's like no, I think that's the tallest object in this world. Yeah.
Damn it.
Drake says we should
Jimmy,
get a
when you-
corner circuit board.
When you run over a small incline at very high speed, you just go flying up in the air, and I love it.
Thank you.
It's like a not quite trimping.
Yeah, player movement isn't perfect. There's a bunch of improvements I want to make, but it's pretty good now. I'm pleased with it.
I'll do. I'll look. What the? I think I messed up. How do you?
Oh my goodness, Drake's name turned red in chat.
Wait.
Probably because Drake changed his character color to red.
No. Drake is not in the server, he's in Twitch chat.
Oh, okay.
Wait, I don't...
You wonder, this is,
I do not...
I just,
That is
Hold
true.
on, Ryan. I do not understand what Drake's message is trying to say. It is, quote, something special below and give its...
So that's what it tells you when you select the highlighted message. It
Mhm.
says write and then something special below and give it some glitz in
Oh,
chat. So he wrote something special below and give it some glitz in chat. I
Okay.
believe.
that's cute. Bye, Broyujo. Nice playing
Jimmy
with
is
you.
Is there
very proud. Bye bye. Thanks for stopping by.
is there a setting that's exposed in the pause menu for the distance at which player names fade out at? Oh no, never mind. There is no distance. Never mind.
There is no
At
distance
least-
fade. That's an excellent suggestion, though.
Someone. It's just the fact that the player's body was between their name tag and me, so
Ah,
I couldn't see it.
yeah.
And my monkey brain couldn't understand the concept.
Yes, evolution did not well prepare us for Logic World. Sir! There we go.
Go and look. I've made a flag
Shoot.
that teleports you to the top of the tower.
Very nice.
Jesus Christ.
Wait, what? Oh no, I've somehow got rotation lock
Oh,
stuck
no.
on.
Oh no, I'm about to land on for a love of
Oh
God.
no, the love of cats is so big.
Fuck.
I'm messing with the crouch time value, and it seems to be bugging out.
I love it.
I'm slowly
Yeah.
expanding.
We should have a competition who can see to see who can make the
Oh
biggest.
god, my
penis.
shadow! Oh no, who's that?
Sir,
Oh, it's a
what the
planet.
hell?
It's a
Oh my god! What the fuck was that?
God of the final day. 24 hours remain.
I set my player scale to like 15,000. No, wait. Okay, let's. Wait. How do I? Wait, what's the teleport time again?
Oh, I'm inside you.
My god.
Ryan, I'm
Okay,
inside you.
See, when I test the game, I subconsciously, only choose values that are not gonna break the game. But you guys don't care. You just choose the highest values that exist.
See, Jimmy, big
Yeah.
number go burr.
Big number does go burr, cats. You were right about that.
Yeah.
Flip.
Hello, Red.
Oh. Yeah, so I just realized. I think. Oh, I realized the computer here is on the outdated version of Logic OS. The computer's here is on version 0.9.633. The latest version 0.9.6414. We have to update the computer.
Do those emojis render on anyone else's system?
No, they won't render.
Nope.
Oh,
And
okay.
boxes for me.
See, I was trying to figure out whether or not that was an issue with the game or an issue with me running it through Proton.
No, the issue is that emoji rendering is not in the game yet, and it's kind of hard.
Unicode is very hard.
Yeah.
Does the library you're using not handle layout for,
Look how tiny
text
look,
font
Jimmy,
shaping
look
for you?
how tiny my finger is.
The library we're using is Unity's built-in text system, TextMesh Pro. But TextMesh Pro has very basic and awkward support for emojis. The single developer they have working on it says he plans to add good proper support for emojis, but there's no timeline on that yet, so I'm basically just waiting on that.
And then the emojis will work in Logic World.
Yes, I could add them now. There's a community hacked together solution for it, but it's a lot of work for an unofficial solution, and I have higher priorities, so yeah.
Wow, look at
Funny,
Jimmy
yeah.
over here with priorities. God.
Oh, Woox makes a great point, yeah.
About to
If you open the console, you can see my chat message there, and from there you can click on the message to copy it and confirm their scream emojis.
Okay, yes, I'm seeing their text message approach is doing absolutely no text shaping.
What is text shaping?
That's where, that's the umbrella term for the whole process of taking a string of Unicode text and turning it into the exact, like, which which glyph ID should be painted where in order to make it look correct. And there are like like 5 libraries in the world that can do it correctly.
Make you wonder, Jimmy. If you look at this, you kind of get really funny. It had this ruler here, and there's a whole bunch of like secret, like funny things.
Sorry, what?
It's really funny. I made this ruler here. There's a whole bunch of like silly, funny.
Ah, yes. Let me check that out.
This is quite relaxing.
Yeah, some of them are easy, and some of them are very hard to figure out, like why they're there.
I love the detail, attention to detail where the almost nice on 96 is like upside down compared to the rest of the
Oh my
It's a
god,
nice
really?
touch.
Oh, that's hilarious.
Yeah. It's a very nice touch.
At some reason, I sort of even like forgot why they're placed. So, which are
What's everyone else working on?
I made this little random data
Early in
generator.
the game.
I think it's nice. Hey, Red.
I mean, it's gonna be my next door neighbor.
Red, I bet you $100 that the next random number will be 100101000100. Deal?
okay. Well, first of all, we're gonna have to. Okay, so do we say deal? Okay.
Damn it, Red.
Well,
Well, you would have won, so...
Checkmate.
So technically, you know the exact random generator, so you know what the next random thing. And it's a.
No, I cannot do that math in my head. Sorry.
Like, when you
It's also
just-
dependent on the exact nanosecond in which the random number is sampled, which I cannot predict, so...
Hey Jimmy,
Hey, Cats.
I still hold that air acceleration is the best mid-air movement system for any first-person game, but the momentum you have in the air and the
it
where
sounds like super
where the
fast.
player has slower acceleration in the air and stuff feels very nice.
Thank
It's
you.
very good.
Thank
like
you, I appreciate that.
Thank you for appreciating that, Jimmy.
No problem.
Chubby. It's good. Look, it
Oh,
has both of the sockets on them now.
oh dear.
What?
Oh dear. Ryan's committing graffiti artwork with through chubby peg sockets.
Oh, that's creative.
Panel
What?
chubby sockets. I'm sorry, they're called panel chubby sockets now. They're not through anymore. They're pan.
No, they're still called chubby through
Yeah.
sockets. I was just making a joke. Alright, it's not my house anyways. In that game.
They're chubby panel penetrators.
Other chubby through socket.
I'm
That's what
sorry.
it's
I'm
called.
sorry. That was
That-
Pinky.
It was okay. That's...
The only problem is there's no masturbation. So it's basically just stuck there.
Yeah, the lack of mass deletion mechanics is intentional game design to discourage vandalism.
Yeah.
But that just means that if one person vandalizes and another player has to clean it up, they are the ones who have to deal with the pain.
Oof.
Welcome, Woo.
Oh,
Thank
hello,
you
it's
for hosting the
WooX.
server.
Yeah. Yeah, see, Cats,
Hi.
my game mechanic was designed under the assumption that people are basically good, which may need some revising.
Imagine assuming the best of people.
Well, at least good thing is we now know approximately where the stairs are from the outside of the house.
Oh, I found a weird bug. If you click on a button, like, fast, then, it double clicks. I'm pretty sure that's only in multiplayer.
Oh yeah, no, we've been having that.
Yeah.
I've been having it with like slow clicks and stuff. We've all been having it.
Mhm.
It was mentioned earlier.
Sad.
Yeah. Okay,
It's not too bad most of the time.
Okay, so WooX, regarding permission settings for boards. So, in post 1.0, when we do the big multiplayer, big server features update, I want to have like regions of the world with separate permissions. But for 1.0, what we're going to have is essentially 3 levels of permissions. One where you can build whatever you want. One where a player can they can interact with stuff, so they can press buttons and keys and switches, but they can't like remove items or build stuff. And one where the player is just a spectator and they can't interact with the world at all. So you'd be able to have something like a server that by default players are just spectators, and then you can manually add them as people who can interact or people who can build. Stuff like that.
Something I remember suggesting a while ago is having different players be able to have different, like, not copies of the world, but like their own like mini universe on the server, and you can like teleport between them.
Yes.
You can have your own flat grass or grid lands.
Yes, that is planned for the.
That was a while ago, though.
It was, but that's still planned for whenever we do the big multiplayer features update, which is probably going to be 1.1. I want to have like multiple active worlds on a single server.
That'd be cool. So you don't have to like have multiple servers like on Minecraft.
Exactly. Yeah, the
So
thing
is-
that Minecraft
is
servers
moving-
do, I want to do it natively.
So is moving objects still a sometime post 1.1, or do you have like some sort of timeline? version of
No
movements?
earlier than 1.2, probably
'Cause
later than that.
guessing... Okay.
Let's see.
What?
We?
Yeah, for like all. Oh boy, it's all the way down, like very up high. Someone built something on the house and is now entering one of the sockets. Through sockets.
I intermittently see a green ball zoom by.
The green ball was been watching you for the past 45 seconds. Turn around.
Fuck. Ominous.
I cannot get out of your house. Oh, I did it.
Look, do people want to play some music?
I love music. Jesus Christ, Ryan.
Yeah, like.
Okay, we need a permission
Hey,
server.
this is my-
We need a permission system in this game immediately, specifically for Ryan.
Okay, what? Yeah, like you had the control placing thing.
Yes, again, I added it on the assumption that people are basically good, which may need some revising. Let's see.
What? Well, I just figure out with the game.
Oh,
Oh,
Christ
no.
in heaven. What is going on?
Oh no! Well,
I'm hearing
I
it.
use multi-wire.
I'm hearing it more through Ryan's microphone than.
Fuck off.
Honestly, me too, and I'm.
I like this community effort. We all came together to make this happen. Clean up the...
Make it unhappen.
Yeah.
Oh, look at Red. He's tiny.
He's so small.
Oh,
Oh
Red.
my god, Red, you're so cute.
Damn.
You're so little and cute. Oh my god.
Hey, Red. What we need now is we need an emoji for like a tiny Bobby next to a big Bobby.
Aw,
be
that's
so
so
freaking
cute.
Actually, that probably wouldn't work well in emoji form, but it would still be adorable.
That is so funny. Like, you can set your crunch skill to be like 1.1.
Yeah, that's a bug. That should not be the case.
Daniel, what are you making?
A car.
Ooh.
A car?
Yeah.
How is this a
He was building a house last time I saw. He's still working on the
car?
house.
It's like a building. You got storage.
Daniel's a
I just
lying
wanted
little
to see if I
guy.
could get away with saying it's a car.
Well, I mean, you do have a habit of building cars, so it's not entirely implausible.
So are we good with placing saved boards now? Is that actually good?
They've done it several times.
Yeah, that should
Okay.
be totally fixed. Knock on wood.
Do you want to see the ALU thing I made?
Hey.
New whip.
Or like other things as well that I've made. Like I've made this. Anyone want to guess what this is?
A car.
No. Oh, the server thinks it's saving world.
Thanks,
No.
server.
More specific. Please.
I'm assuming this wasn't the case before, but getting out of the seat in the car is completely broken. You get stuck.
No, that was the case before.
Yeah, that needs to be
Oh,
fixed.
okay.
We
I just
actually...
always use no clip.
Yeah, we actually have code now for detecting whether a space is empty. It's used for when you teleport to a flag. If there's like an obstructed area around it, then it tries to find a free area, and if it fails, it tells you can't teleport to flag. So I just need to use that code for chairs as well, and it'll all be good. Yo, I'm...
It's a counter? Huh.
What
Fuck.
are you, Jimmy?
But yeah, what do you think the circuit does? That's cool. What the?
What is it?
Yeah, you get stuck on the chair if you sit in it.
Okay.
There. Bro.
I
Ooh,
guess
nice
you have
red
the first
floor.
option.
Thank you. I mean, it's supposed to be brown, but red.
Uh-oh.
Okay,
Rip.
what?
Sorry.
I guess it's both. I don't know. It's a reddy brown.
Okay, let's see.
That's a good one. What do you think this board over here does?
Drugs.
No.
Okay, that's the problem.
Also, world hunger crisis.
That would be great. If
I
somebody
don't
could
think that
solve the
would
world
be-
hunger crisis using Logic World, I would like... I don't know what I'd do. I'd probably cry a lot. I'd be very confused, but I'd also very emotional and proud.
You would be crying in confusion.
Yep.
Yeah, sadly this board can't do that. But
This is so sad. Can we get 50 likes?
anyone wanna guess what it can do? Like for real? It's
So
pretty.
I remember that it used to be that key components would trigger if you press a button that like had an action bound to it. That doesn't seem to be the case anymore. Is that
Oh, it's still the
intentional?
case
Am I
anymore.
misunderstanding something?
Yeah, like, here, where...
It is
Come back over here, cats.
I'm riding on top of.
Okay, coming over.
it's my understanding
I
that
gotta
Logic World
fall.
does
Hold
have
on. I'm above you. I
God
gotta
damn
fall.
it, cats.
Boom.
Logic World does have Farlands, but Jimmy has just disabled Farlands.
Yeah.
So
Okay,
It was
so
a
that is
question
triggering
asked.
for me.
yeah, that's why
However,
we
if
have
it's-
chairs.
If it's if it's enter, Wooks has a bunch of enter keys over there, and they don't trigger, and I have that bound to
So
opening the tab.
probably what you're seeing is that if you have multiple keys bound to the same value, you can only press one at a time.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Because there's a bunch of them.
Yeah.
I don't get it.
Anyways,
Tell me what this looking is.
yes, Stefan and Drake, the Logic World does have far lands. If you get far enough from the origin, then things glitch out. But Daniel could probably show you by trying to teleport to a crazy high value. The game prevents you from moving more than 15 kilometers from the origin, so you can't actually see them. There's an invisible wall.
Do you like that?
I found a bug, and I'm preparing to tell Jimmy about it, but I'm verifying my understanding of it. So Jimmy, you have a very, very, very nice interpolation for going up ledges,
Thank you.
but going down them just teleports you down.
Yes,
the ledge.
going down sucks.
And
like I said, there's a bunch of things I want to fix about the player controller, and that's
Okay.
one of them. Yeah.
That's fair. As long as you know about
Yeah,
it
yeah,
already. Then it's not oh crap.
Yeah, I would
Yeah,
say,
just haven't gotten to
yeah.
it.
Please withhold judgment on the player controller until you see a shit ton of player controller stuff in the changelog in some update, because that's coming. Anyways, Drake, if you want to see them, you will have to hack. I believe there is not a vanilla way to get beyond the world border, but it'd be trivial to mod it in. I don't think chairs can be used to glitch past the world border. I could be wrong. You might be able to like get out of a chair and it puts you outside the world border. I don't know.
How about if you try to set your player skill to like something cute?
That also might be a way to glitch outside the world border. I'm not sure. Red 3D, that actually won't work because when the save loads, it verifies that all players are within the valid play state.
Oh, that's sad. Yeah,
I can try.
I have to use MIDI to control this. I don't have MIDI.
Huh?
Son of a...
Is there a setting to change the fade out time for chat messages?
Yes,
I'm
there
looking
is.
Under user interface.
It's in multiplayer under chat, and it's called
okay,
message
that
stay
makes
time
sense.
and message fade time. Yeah.
Yep,
I have
awesome.
a question, Jimmy. Isn't there for lots of times I want to like replace with pegs? They'll like replace on like 1/3 increments, but the game doesn't let you do that. If you don't add the ability to do that.
So, what are you talking about? Can you show me?
Like what I mean is I can
Oh.
like replace like this, but can I replace like on these 3rd increment, like on the like small?
I forget. Have I added this yet? Yes, I have. Here, look at this. How'd I do that? Boom.
Yeah.
Good guy, Jimmy, adding things.
Yeah. So Ryan, when you have a grid that's like placed, use the scroll wheel to like change the increment on one axis, and use control scroll wheel to change the increment on the other axis.
I had an interesting bug with that earlier today where it was doing it diagonally.
Oh, that's
Control
weird.
Scroll was moving the board diagonally.
Oh
I'm
god.
gonna have to go find and reproduce
So
it
many bugs to
before I put a
fix.
bug. Yep.
It could be it
So
like
little time.
like I can't like place like all these like thirds that, but I think I'm having the same issue though. Still, I'm just trying to have a little kind of peg.
Who's playing that beautiful music? I like it very much.
They proceed to just like spam all the keys.
Woo.
Can't have Jimmy liking our music.
Whoa. I just teleported to the top of the tower flag. This is really high up. Oh, this is sick.
Yeah, look, I made
Someone
I
come
made a
visit.
whole board filled with a bajillion pegs.
It's
You can
because
make, like a
You guys
can
were
make it-
taking up space.
that's actually hilarious. Dan and I were standing where it was supposed to teleport you,
Jimmy,
so you fell
can
off.
I this is something I've noticed a few times. Can I recommend at least having an option to disable player v player collisions client side? 'Cause it gets
It's called turn
a
on
bit
no clip.
annoying. Yeah, but still, it'd be nice to have like a permanent
Alright.
setting to not walk
That's
through other players. Because Red was blocking me in a doorway earlier.
yeah, that's
Which
fair.
wasn't his
That's
fault because I was blocking him and he was blocking me.
that's fair. That's a good idea. Thanks for the suggestion.
Remember,
could
how
play,
tall
like,
do you think this
Symbol.
tower is in real life units?
We
Tells
can
you it's 386 units tall.
yeah,
Up in the air.
and 1 unit is 1 meter. So
Damn it, guys! Can you guys move to the edge? or
absolutely
something?
fucking not.
Find that out. So,
I'm gonna teleport menu
I will
around.
fly up there, young man.
Teleport
this
menu
tower is
around.
like half as tall as the world's tallest building. Basically. Right?
It is not like
Let's see
this.
if I can jump to my house.
Like
I thought
Ryan.
you said it was 300.
Yeah, the CN tower is like 500 meters tall, and that's not even the tallest building anymore.
Oh fuck.
So
Yeah.
this is no records are set by this one. Okay, I'm gonna turn my field
Of
of
course,
view.
Daniel gets to teleport up
Oh,
here.
no, maybe
I have
it
to
didn't
fly up the hard way.
In a digital logic
Okay.
simulator.
I just turned my field of view up to 160, and then I'm gonna jump off. It's gonna be awesome. Holy
Oh.
crap! Ah!
I want to see it now. Where's the
Oh.
thing? I can't find where you do that. Where?
Ryan, it's the
Is
first setting in the gameplay tab of the settings menu.
Oh, there it is. Whoa.
Oh my god,
Ah,
you fucking
shit.
guys.
Bud. I
Wonder,
just
Jimmy,
need-
do you like my peg thing?
Where is
Do you
it?
like my big pig one? Like right here, like where I'm standing.
Where?
Jimmy,
Oh.
look at this. This
It's
board has a bajillion pegs on it.
it looks quite cool. I do love the aesthetics. Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah.
So you can't connect pegs next to each other, but diagonal pegs can be connected.
I like that.
By like, buddy. Oh, you like what? We'll turn all these pegs to exclusive mode. This is a joke. How did that do you find that thing? Wait, how would you get that?
Oh, if you set this low enough. You can just like hide in. Oh, you can hide in the pegs. Because it's the base that has the collision, not the peg itself.
Oh, that's hilarious. I want to see you hiding in the pegs.
Hello, I am small.
Okay.
Oh my
there we
god,
go,
that's so
hiding
cute.
inside the peg.
Wait, stay small.
Can
I
you
want to
see
like
me?
zoom in to try and see you. Oh my god, this is so cute. I
It's a
love
new-
this.
It's a new
Can
era
you,
of logic
can you see me
Are
hiding
you able to
in the
actually?
peg?
Are you actually able to see me? Because I'm tiny.
Yeah, I'm like point. Oh, there we go. Now I'm good.
Hey Jimmy.
Yeah, we can drop
Boop.
the kill.
Oh, interesting.
God damn it.
What happened?
Logic World being Logic World.
Come on, Logic World.
Logic World
Why you
actually
gotta
is
be this
itself.
way?
I've noticed when you're in zoom in mode and you look to the extreme up or down, your horizontal mouse sensitivity is extremely low.
Let me try that.
That is what? Oh yeah, I completely forgot that you could do this.
Oh yeah, that is. Wait. Cats, I'm gonna mark that as won't fix. I really don't care.
I do because I was trying to look down at you falling and I couldn't.
Oh,
make it
okay, that's fair.
move.
Wait. Okay, we might. I'm not experiencing anything that bad. Like, I can look. Oh, no, I see what you mean. Okay, yeah, that needs to be fixed. Yeah, my bad. I was misunderstanding.
Okay, that's fair. I probably didn't explain it
I
very well.
watched this thing that I found this.
It's Logic World gamer time.
Dang it, I keep trying to jump on your heads and you move. Very inconsiderate.
Look.
I am on the Ryan. Hey
Huh?
Jimmy, how stable is this? Like, if I just don't move, should I be on him until he knocks me off or something? Like,
You should,
Theoretically.
yeah. I was even on Ryan while he was
Okay.
crouching and uncrouching earlier, and it worked fine, which I was kind of surprised by. Oh man, there's a tower of 3 of
Well,
you
I'm-
over there.
I'm-
That's so cute.
Oh, there's someone on me. Oh, hi, hey, Red. Oh, damn it, Ryan flew too fast. Okay, I'll stand here. Someone jump on top of me. Okay, and then someone else
Okay,
get on
let's
top of
see.
him.
Okay, this is
Them.
important.
We're gonna do the old TF2 thing where everyone stacks on top of each other. And then
Bro,
someone get on top
Bobby.
of Ryan. And then someone take a screenshot. Once we have
Ah.
a few more players on it.
I can
Oh,
take a
Dang it,
screenshot.
Red
No,
fell.
Red, why?
Why is making me feel like Mega Tower of Bobby?
Oh, I'll stop moving my head then. Okay, I'm sorry. See, I was not having that issue with Ryan, which is interesting.
Oh,
Is someone gonna go on top of me?
Sten?
And then, please, go on.
And then Daniel get up there,
Oh my
and then
God.
that should be...
Yeah, Daniel, you get on top of Sten, and I'll take a beautiful 8K screenshot.
Yay!
I'm gonna rotate my mouse to try to face... Where are you? I'm trying to face you.
Okay, yeah, everybody look at the
I'm
camera.
seeing the shadow. I can't, I don't know where you are. Okay, hold on.
I'm trying to, but the people below me
There we
keep
go.
moving.
Okay,
Ooh.
I'm sorry, that's as far as I can rotate.
Can you turn yourself
So-
gigantic when Jimmy's done taking the screenshot? I want to see what happens.
Okay.
I'm sorry, I have it set to when I crouch I become really tiny.
No one knew!
Congratulations,
try that too.
folks. You
Oh,
have
don't-
set
no
a
one
world
move.
record
I'm
for
going to make
biggest tower of players in Logic World.
I'm
Congratulations.
gonna become big now, are you ready?
Oh
Are you
boy,
ready?
this is... Oh no!
Oh, it didn't crash
Aw.
Jimmy!
It crashed me! What happened
It
here?
legitimately... You crashed!
Oh
Now,
Holy
now
crap.
you guys have to record for
Rip.
biggest stack of Bobby.
no! What? Okay, the error apparently has to do with the chat.
What?
That was weird. Oh well, I'm not gonna investigate. I'm on vacation.
I'm getting pushed by Jimmy.
Sorry.
You were pushing him, and you were pushing
Well, on my end, he was pushing me, so...
Oh my god.
Yeah, no, I
I-
misspoke. He was pushing you, and you were pushing me.
I love how the game saves your hotbar now. It was so annoying in like every previous version where I'd have to put together my hotbar every time.
That's strange. I had that not happen today on stream, and I
agree.
explicitly noticed it.
Oh, weird. That's a bug then.
Okay.
Oh, if you changed your name in between sessions, then it won't save because they're saved per player
I
hotbar
changed
name.
my name while I was connected, but before I disconnected. So
Ah, yeah, that's
it was
why.
some sort of state thing.
Hi.
That makes sense.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh boy. Spirit Strike.
I just realized
For that.
the player speed affects when you're crouched. So if you set the if I do that. Ha ha ha.
Yeah, player
That's
speed
tiny.
is affected. It's multiplied by your scale.
Mm-hmm.
That's fun. It's really funny. It's like you can just like set your speed to like stupid or something. Like, that's cool. I can set your speed to like stupid, like when you're running to go wee. Whoa.
Which is an American company. Anything I stream has to comply with US laws. So I can get DMCA'd in Canada.
Oh no.
I know. Sad.
I promise not to DMCA you for streaming Logic World.
I see it. Well, wait. Well, I guess just turn on the logical music then, because you can't get DMCA'd for that.
No, like, there is... No, Marku and I are both very enthusiastic about Logic World music being streamed, so, like, if you get DMCA'd, we will fight the people who DMCA'd you, don't worry.
Yay. I think you'd legally have to.
Yeah, to protect the copyright.
Conserve your rights to it.
Right, I thought, but it's like, wait, I thought that Logic would not be the copyright until the game is actually released. I thought they said that you can't
no.
have it.
You're confusing copyright and trademark. and I really do not want to get into the difference right now. It is... Let's not talk about it.
Okay.
Why did someone remove the roof of my car?
I just noticed that.
So
I
you
didn't
can
do
get
it.
out of it.
Don't look at me.
It's
Okay,
convertible.
did you try no clipping? Or like
Okay.
anything else?
I didn't real. I didn't forgot the no clip. I'm not. Okay, let me make a flag. Let's see. I made a flag. I'm going to set it to be. I'll set it to be the default flag. Get. Um. Okay, I
What's
made a
that flag for?
I made a flag to get out of the car.
I have a flag for my house right here. Like literally 10 meters this way.
Okay, I just
Oh, I know, but the
confirmed
flag
something
was
that I
supposed to be
felt.
next to the car. Where's the car? Where did it
I
go?
hit the flag. Oh, it's gone. Huh.
Again.
Okay. So now, when you go in the car, right?
Just teleport to the flag named PP.
You can now just press F7 and say, "What the? Jimmy's building a thing here. This is so he doesn't have to walk all the way back every time this time."
Yeah, because like every 5 minutes you guys are like, Jimmy, come check out this thing, and I have to walk all the way over there, all the way back, but no more.
You like Daniel?
I do like
have
Daniel.
a flag at his house.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
Build something so big it can't be ignored.
Damn. That's fucking inspirational, man.
Copyright that.
So it appears that the only way to load any C# source at runtime is via a mod, which like a component mod, which has to be loaded by the can't be loaded just client side.
I actually don't know about the modding system. That's mainly Felipe's project.
Okay.
Do.
Does anyone want to see the program counter I made?
Sure. Where is it,
Okay,
Ryan?
this is a program counter.
That is
It's over
very
here by my
intricate.
house. Yeah. So yeah, basically, now after.
Bye, Drake. Thank you for stopping by.
Take care, Drake.
Bye.
It's a good meme. Hey, I'm coming for you, Red.
Okay. This should work.
What should we work on?
Son of a bitch. Okay. No, I'm sorry. I'm trying to build some circuits, and also focus on conversation at the same time, and blah. Let's see.
Talking to people is hard.
That's what she said. 1, 2.
I mean, okay.
3. Okay.
Guys, J Party is here. Everyone say hello to J Party.
Hello, J Party. Yeet indeed.
Bye. I'm not seeing the screen chat right now. I just don't know how you can.
Hey, Ryan,
Yeah.
would you consider enabling push to talk because your microphone is leaking singer sounds?
That's a negatory.
It's a little bit annoying because I'm on my phone. And, just try not to do singers.
Sure.
until you have to say something. Then I don't know.
Okay, can we take a second to acknowledge how flippin' well the chat works? Oh my god, I'm so happy about the chat. Look at it go.
I think the chat's like one of the few things that hasn't broken at all from what I've seen. Yeah, good job, Jimmy, for making the unbreakable system.
Oh, there are bugs with the chat. I'm just not telling you about them to not shatter your illusions.
The fact that it uses the player model color is a very nice touch.
Thank you.
Yeah. See,
Oh, I just got pushed through a wall.
It just got 10 feet taller.
So, can I climb this? Oh, it's so sad. You can't climb the staircase thing. Yeah, okay.
I just had a thought, Jimmy. The fact that earlier when someone was joining, I saw someone become giant next to me and then suddenly teleport down to normal size again, similar to the pushing players around. Makes me think it's replaying some of your old movement information on that player that you're seeing, because I had become large recently and then shrunk. And that explains why the pushing around is just, it's mirroring the movement you've done recently.
Yeah,
So
I'm pretty sure I know what's happening. I'm pretty sure you're right about that. It should be a fairly straightforward fix, but I'm not fixing it now. Fixing it when I'm back from vacation.
Vacation time.
Vacation. Oh my god. I love not working on Logic World, no offense. It's just been a very stressful several months.
True.
Okay, flippin'.
Jimmy, I took your suggestion and added stream chat to my stream display as well.
Ryan.
Awesome.
What you doing?
I put it on the board so we can just delete it in one go.
That's clever. Are you gonna make like a really long delay?
I just wanted to like play something for the delayers.
Hey, so I have a.
Oh god!
Oh my
I am
god!
getting lag whenever you
Can
do
we
that.
not do this, please, Ryan? Like, build things because they're cool, not because they lag the server, please. Stress test the game in your own time, but we're on stream right now, so.
Okay.
Okay, I would like to ask a design question of y'all. So I notice that people, when they're playing Logic World, pretty much only use the default circuit board color. And I don't like this. I would like builds to be colorful and like rainbows, and like every single circuit board is a new bright color. So no random colors, but I'm wondering what would be a good way to encourage that. What I was thinking is simply
allow me to press X while I'm placing.
That's a great idea. I'm gonna write that down actually because it's so good. What I was thinking is that, like, currently in the selection menu, there's only a single color of circuit board. What if there were just also several other default colors of circuit boards that you could click to add to your hotbar?
It seems like a good way to like show new players who don't know to press X on a circuit board to go, hey, look, these can be separate colors, even if they don't realize they can put custom colors in. Because it's hard to take hidden in. It's easy for mechanics to be like hidden to a new user who doesn't know what it is, and they might even like go, "Oh, I wish I could make these different colors," but then not know how to do it.
I mean, I think that being able to press X while you're holding it before it's placed, and then the board will save its color in the hotbar.
Yo, this is wild. What's this? Oh, this is Ryan's program counter?
Oh
no, that's fine.
Oh, this? Oh yeah, that's my this is my program counter.
Wait, no, I want to know what's this blue creation? Sten, is this yours?
I don't know.
This is a pulse length measurement tool.
Oh, that's awesome.
Ah.
I can
what?
show you
Wait,
how it works.
Like
I'm-
my hello inverter art thing.
Delays are in measures of 10, right?
a short delayer is 1 tick, and then the regular delayers, you can adjust them to anything between 10 and 100 ticks.
Yeah, I had an interesting idea for.
So there's a difference of 2 ticks between the 2 pulses, A and B.
Yep. Oh my
And
god.
That's
measures
so
two.
cool, man.
That's awesome.
That's
I
so
love
cool.
that so much.
No!
Oh, that's what it is. Like what? So,
We're all surprised by someone actually playing the game. Well, Jimmy's been trying.
I
but
have
we keep
been trying
distracting him. And Daniel's playing.
Wait,
the
what?
Sims
Did
over
you?
here.
Oh! Oh, you son of a bitch! Oh, you tricked me! Who did this? Who has done this? God,
Uh-oh.
Ryan, I'm mad.
What happened?
Ugh. My flag. The Jimmy is building something over here. He replaced it with a fake, a fraud. Clever, but annoying.
Something someone did screwed my game. This is so sad.
What's the command to teleport? Oh, it.
It's just TP and then coordinates.
Okay.
get right high as the totem. Under Jimmy, can you add a command that just shows what your current coordinates are?
That just shows what?
Your current coordinates.
Oh, yeah, I'm planning to, like, add an option to just display them in the top left, or top right, or I don't know, somewhere.
Is there a way to clear the console?
Yes, the clear command.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, someone just... Daniel left the game and immediately filled my console up with more.
Wow,
Yes,
thanks,
the given
Daniel.
key was not present in the dictionary. Someone,
Just
I think
when
when
you
Ryan
pick
was
the
doing
name, the
something, I got
thing,
kicked.
and that was
So
another type of console spam.
Yeah, I look forwards, when I'm back from vacation, to fixing all these bugs and making the game super stable and reliable. But it has issues now. It's a fickle beast.
Okay, so the
Well, what
teleport doesn't
was-
occur until after you close the console?
what was everyone doing when I got yeeted?
I was pressing buttons and testing my thing.
I know you yelled at Ryan right when I did, so I assume he.
Oh, yeah,
Did you build this?
no, I don't know who
What
placed
is
this
it?
here. Somebody just came over and
Okay.
stuck it on the ground.
What?
That's... Okay.
Was there a tip to get back in, or is it just kind of keep mashing it until it works?
I think restarting the game works. If you haven't already done so.
I have restarted 3 times now.
Oh, then I don't know. You might just have to keep trying. Oh, I think if nobody does
Sad.
anything, if we all just like don't build anything and like stop moving
Okay.
while Daniel comes in.
Hands off controls.
Bye, Stefan.
Alright,
Thanks for coming to the
Stefan, see you
stream.
later.
Bye.
Okay, I'm restarting the game. No one move.
Not moving.
Okay, I'm not moving.
If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Oh,
Oh,
Hey.
I'm back.
Also,
Hey.
Excellent.
Jimmy,
I don't
go
know why
into
there's a flag of
teleport
Brazil on my
list.
nose.
Jimmy, go into the teleport list.
Mouse Hat James. Very funny. Very good. I like it. Oh my god, the teleporting looks so good. I'm so proud of that visual effect. Can you stop making my flag big? I want a cute little flag. Please and thank you.
See, I'm upset about that because I had a TP command copied to the clipboard. I was looking for an opportunity to grab that and TP 10,000 units
Oh my
away and
God.
place it.
You missed your
But
chance,
I
sir.
feel like at this point it would just be too much.
You may troll me. I give you consent to troll me. That is fine.
But it's not original anymore. Like it's happened enough. It's not funny. It's not funny anymore. It's lost its flair.
Pizzazz.
What is going on here? What?
What is going on here?
Oh, that I think I found the problem. Maybe. Yes, I found the problem.
Oh, you're having the weird thing with ands?
No, it's just me not counting ticks when I was designing this.
Oh, so what are you making?
You will see. It's a surprise. Okay.
Bye, Sten. Jeez.
I've made the teleport.
I just realized I just played like an insulted tone of voice, like as a joke for him just like zooming away, and I realized I've been doing that to everyone the entire stream.
Nah, it's
So
cool.
it's kind of hypocritical for me to crack that as a joke.
Look at the teleport list again. I made another funny flag name.
Oh, that's that sure is something. I see you've discovered the minimum font size. Congratulations.
You were the first person to discover the minimum.
He might be
font size. Wait, where?
in the teleport
Jimmy, I
list.
think there's
F7.
Oh.
I'm sure that the footstep sounds are probably temporary, but like or going to change at some point. But it sounds like either there's a delay in the code or a lot of empty space in the clip before the actual bulk of the sound.
So
when I fall and it triggers the sound, it's very delayed.
okay.
What is the server sending me? Is the server telling my client to play that? Or
No,
is
sounds
that
are
what-
entirely client side right now.
That's what I thought.
I've noticed that as well, and will fix. Part of the
Oh,
problem.
I'm sorry.
It's
I'm
okay.
so sorry.
It's okay. No, it's
I
good.
saw a button and I clicked it. I'm sorry.
It's fine. I get what I'm doing right now is trying to debug that and make it not do that. It's all good.
I just reverted to like 5-year-old me and clicked the button that I saw.
What was I saying? Oh yeah, so part of the problem is that like when the footstep sound starts playing, it just like it stays at that position in the world. So even though you're moving away from it, it's still playing where you were when the sound started, so it appears to the side of you. I'm gonna make it somebody I forget who, somebody on in the YouTube comment suggested that the footstep sounds should follow the player as they're playing, and I'm gonna make that happen at some point. So, but yeah, I agree. The footstep code is it's a little bit janky.
Okay, I was just commenting on the strange delay.
Oh
That,
wait, no, the
following-
strange delay. Okay, no, actually, I just realized why that is. So the player model sound maker class, it has an update interval, and I think that like
Oh.
yeah, because like for other players, because it's the same code for you and for other players. For other players, like you only get updates from the server every so often, so it makes sense to have a fairly low update rate. And I think what's happening is it's the same update rate for players. Okay, bye Ryan.
Everyone say hello to A Squared.
A
who just
squared.
followed.
Hello, thank you for
Hello.
following Daniel. You're very cool. Red, great question. No, it doesn't. I mean, sometimes it does. The sound player objects are pooled, so there's like it's no lag, no performance issue.
That comment you made about the footsteps following you, like sounding because they're stationary. That's something I noticed about a specific FPS game I play. The sound clips are much longer than the footsteps are in this game, so it's like really noticeable there.
Right.
So for the the audio FPS game I made that we played the other day,
Which was awesome.
the stuff like footsteps and such are played locally differently than they're played for other players. It's a completely different code path, so they're like don't even exist in the world for you. So they're just like purely playing. So you might want to
Investigate
what you
that.
said implied that like the 3D sound object would just like be attached to you and
Yeah.
follow you around. when it's simpler theoretically to just like play the clip as opposed to having
Jimmy.
it have a 3D position. Unless there's some Unity thing I'm completely unaware of. Which
No,
is
I could do that. It's just that okay, hold on. This is a bit of an involved conversation, so I'm gonna respond to Daniel's thing first. Yes, Daniel.
Oh, A Squared says that they
Holy-
saw Logic World on Steam and saw the devlog for it.
Hey.
And my stream link was there.
Oh,
So,
fantastic.
that's someone who's found your game.
Oh man, thank you Steam for the free marketing. That's awesome. A Squared, I'm so delighted that you found us. Thank you for stopping by, and I hope you buy the game when it comes out. That'd be great.
The obvious Jimmy is the developer. I don't
Oh
think
yeah,
anyone's explicitly stated that.
yeah, I made this game. Holy shit, it works. After like 20 minutes of I got the T flip-flop working. Good job, Jumbo.
Good job, Jimmy. We believe in you.
Alright, let's tidy this up.
They say they recognize
Aw.
your voice from devlogs.
That's sweet. You know, making the Logic World devlogs has been an interesting experience for me because at the beginning, when I first started making them, I hated the sound of my own recorded voice, as most people do. And, like, by now, I just listen to my voice so much that I think I have a great voice. I think I sound great.
You have a very sexy voice.
Ah, thank you,
Very
Stead.
nice voice.
So yeah.
I used to be the same way, and then I started watching my VODs, and I'm like, I'm okay.
Okay. Oh man, this is gonna be cool when I get it working.
I'm curious what these two pegs are for.
Hmm? Oh,
when
this is-
that's a blot end, and
This is a... Oh shit, I built this wrong. Yeah, you're totally right. This does nothing.
oh, I spotted an issue.
Oh wow, actually that's why it wasn't working for like the whole time. Damn, oh well.
Hey.
Okay. So it still works, great. I'm gonna save this board so I have quick access to it.
Is this like a toggle?
You will see. You will see.
Everyone
It's
working on it?
quite amazing.
Am I allowed to press the button? Am I allowed to press the button?
Yes, you may press the button. Well pressed, sir.
Damn, all of that for a toggle. See, I was on stream earlier and I was trying to build a toggle, and I was like, I remembered building something like this in Tongue ages ago, and it was like a lot simpler than I'm making it out to be right now.
Yeah, this is
And
definitely
good
not an
lord.
optimized design. If I spent a while on this, I could probably get it down very small, but this is just... I'm trying to get something working quick and dirty so that I can build something. You will see what it is soon. Okay.
I'm just gonna be like X save board Jimmy's, and then in quotation mark unoptimal.
Is that what I
Toggle.
said?
Yeah, you said unoptimized, but I'm like, because it's more than I made in like 10 minutes, so
Oh, it broke
Oh.
somehow.
I'm glad I saved it before you broke it.
Lol. Okay, what's going on? Oh, wait, I know what went on here. I know what happened. Okay. Yeah, see, one non-optimal thing about this toggle is that you need to press it for more than 10 ticks. Otherwise... Wait, what? What the fuck? Oh,
Okay,
okay.
I'm gonna go delete that board on my F8? F8, yes.
Fate.
That's deep, man. Okay, what? I just loaded the board that I saved earlier and it works fine. But this one is broken.
Okay, now I'm not gonna delete it.
This
Alright,
house is interesting.
let's play a fun game called Is the Bug with Jimmy's Code or with the thing he built? I like that game. Okay.
I was thinking it'd be cool
Oh my
if
God.
hitting grab reached through wires.
It should.
It does
Oh
not.
no, it does not. Yeah, you're right. Oh, okay. Yeah, put that in
I thought
whatever.
that was intentional. I'll put it in
Uh,
bugs. I was gonna put it in feedback originally, but I'll put it in bugs because you said it was in.
it's not a bug. It's that was intentional behavior. You've just changed my mind about how it should work by mentioning it, because I don't think I ever thought about it since I
I'll
programmed
put it
it.
in
So,
feedback then.
cheers.
Remember when I was building my gingerbread house, Jimmy, and like we were ending up with alignment issues with parts stacked on top of each other?
I do, yes.
Yeah, that's happening again.
Yeah, I'm pretty
Oh,
sure I know how to
pressing
fix that.
X reaches through the wire.
Okay, yeah, I'm just letting you know it is a
Yeah.
recurring,
Cheers.
don't worry about it.
It's a very
But
pretty
that
house,
does mean I
Daniel.
have to stop my roof. Yeah, I have to stop building my roof because of that, because it's gonna just end up
That's a
screwing
shame.
everything up. So
I will
fine.
let
It's a small
you.
roof.
I will let you know specifically when I do fix that.
Yay. I like when things are fixed.
Me too. I love looking at a change log
Okay,
and
so
just seeing a
this-
huge list of fixed bugs. It's very satisfying.
It is indeed a rip, but Jimmy will fix it. Not to worry.
Hey Jimmy, could you come over here? The
Yes.
fact that the connection point on the display is ever so slightly lower than the top of a peg is bugging me more than it should.
Okay, yeah. You know what? Put that in feedback. You're right. That should be changed. It's in the center. It's in the exact center of the display peg, and just due to the length of the display peg, yeah. Thank you for pointing that out.
Back. I'm gonna rotate that back. Oh, I just hit. I'm sorry. I hit R thinking it was gonna rotate it.
How dare you? It's probably fine. Yeah, it's
I
fine.
need to go enable toggle crouch again.
Hello, Daniel.
Can I not be under you?
Okay, so this is an interesting problem that I'm still not sure what the ideal solution is. So the thing is that on your end, my collider is a sphere, right? But on my end, because I'm moving my player, my collider is a capsule. So, like, there's space where my feet are that you should theoretically be able to go inside of. But on my end, you can't go inside of it. So you walk into that space like you should be able to. And on my end, that pushes me because I can't be inside. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah, so
like
that's what's
that.
happening.
A Squared says that they like the faces.
Hey, thank you, A Squared. I drew them myself, believe it or not.
Question, Jimmy. I'm gonna shut up after this, but I have a number of opinions. I'm still forming them because I want to like verify stuff.
Okay.
Or maybe talk to some of the other beta testers to like make sure I understand stuff fully. But I have a few opinions about the controls binding menu. I'm gonna put it in video form because it's the easiest way to show the interactions. But I'm curious if you're okay with me publishing that publicly as opposed to just having it be an unlisted video.
100%. Yeah. Absolutely.
Because it's gonna be entirely like I don't think this should work this way. I think it should work this way.
Yeah.
Which is like not very good promotional material.
I am not afraid of criticism. I revel in it. So please go for it.
This makes moving really easy.
Hey, what the Bro, I'm building shit over here.
Oh, you got rooms now. Ooh, nice railings. I like them.
Very
Like I
stylish.
said, I'm moving. Jimmy, you are free to build inside my house if you want.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Hello, I'm back.
Hello again, Ryan.
Both of you.
Hello, back. I'm dead.
Ha! That was a good one, Daniel.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Oh my god, I love the in-game music. What a perfect soundtrack.
Why should turn
Mine
it
is playing one-time waits.
That is a very
So-
good one.
Oh! Feedback. Multiplayer servers, all the players that have audio enabled should be hearing the same song at the same time so they can talk about it.
I 100% agree with that, Cats. The issue... Okay, I really would like to do that. The issue is that currently there's a client-side setting. I think it's a secret setting, but it controls what the time between songs is, the average time between songs and the randomization.
Okay.
I think I'm going to move that to a server setting and then just have the server tell players when what music is playing.
Okay. Awesome. That would be really cool.
Jimmy. Can you
Jimmy
do the
doesn't
whole-
seem to think it'd be technically challenging,
Can
so.
you do the whole
I
not
trust him.
move thing so I can join?
Oh, true.
Okay, yeah, you got it.
Okay, I'm
Yeah.
not moving.
I'll stop moving my house.
Yeah.
Okay.
A squared, yeah, it is actually a bit of a tricky problem if it's done client-side, like if clients have to predict what other clients are playing, but if you just have the server tell clients what music to play, then that's simple. So that's probably what we'll do.
Okay, I'm in.
Yay.
Hello, Ryan.
So, my label with the entire lyrics that we're gonna give up are still in there.
Oh yes, we would not dare touch your stuff. We're too scared of you.
Wait, can I put the entire B movie script in a label?
I think that's too.
I think I forgot to add a character limit to the labels, so yeah, you probably can.
Should I try it?
Why not, right? It's a beta. We're here to find issues.
Yeah.
Am I completely wrong in remembering that Tongue had you could hit backspace to undo deleting a board?
You were... No, that's 100%
yeah.
true, and that's a feature that is not yet in Logic World, but I do plan to add it before 1.0.
Okay, awesome.
And
'cause
then-
I'm very afraid of deleting something that someone else has built.
Mm. Okay.
If someone moves France to the top of the tower.
It was probably Sten Audion. He's
Who
a
moved France
nationalist.
to the top of the player.
Just crash the game by doing that, but we'll see if it loads in.
Oh boy.
Oh no.
Wait, you crashed your game by trying the B-movie script?
By pasting it specifically.
The server's still running because I can see the random number generator still ticking away.
I'm watching Ryan
have
walk
the
around,
effect-
so the server's fine.
I just said the same thing.
No, it's
For-
definitely
it's
client.
different.
I mean, I don't know how much RAM
Wait,
the B
what?
movie script takes up, but probably a bit.
Oh, the server's lagging. I just tried to place a wire and it took
Yeah.
like a second. Daniel, where's your flippin' B-movie label? I'm gonna delete it.
It's on the side of my house.
Okay. Of course, where else I wish...
My game's hanging.
Daniel...
Oh my god, I can see it. I can see it. Look, it's cut off a bunch of it, but like.
Oh,
little
on my end,
ellipses.
on my end, the screen's just frozen.
There's
Oh.
little ellipses, but it shows the first page.
It does indeed. Okay, I'm deleting it. It's... Oh god, it crashed my game! Okay.
Oh no!
The game has defied its master. Well, I'm saying the save file is fine.
Yay, hooray.
It's post deleting the label.
Oh, are you back in?
Yeah, I'm back in and it's fine.
Okay,
Uh-oh.
I'm trying to join, but I can't. I'm having issues.
Is there any intention of, like pre-intention of having
There
a player list on client side?
Yeah, so I'm not married to this design, but I'm planning that, like, if you press... The teleport menu will have, like, two tabs, one for flags and one for players, so you'll be able to teleport to players easily.
Stop placing and moving everything quickly again, just so I can
Yep.
get back in, hopefully.
Well, I'm falling, so I don't have control over that.
Okay.
Alright.
I mean,
I'm no longer moving.
thank you. For me, it just kept hanging for whatever reason, so
Yeah.
hopefully I can get back in.
So I believe what the issue is there...
Okay,
Hey, you're in.
I'm in.
I believe what the
Alright.
issue is there is that what's supposed to happen is the server, if updates to the world happen while you're connecting, then the server sends you the the like world packet, and then it sends you the world update packet, and the client is supposed to process the world update packet after it's finished processing the world packet. But I think what's happening is that instead it's trying to process the world update packet before the world is loaded, and that's causing errors.
Look, I copied the entire lick page onto a label.
Can you please not do that, Ryan? We're trying to not screw up the server.
Well, too
Okay,
late
I
now.
deleted it. Yeah,
Thank you.
it's
That's-
gone,
I-
but
the
the
server's
server's still
restarting in 1 minute.
Again? Oh,
Yeah, because I think it was labeling issue.
Well, but Lick is a lot smaller than the B movie.
That is true.
It would be reasonable to think that it may cause the same error, though. I would expect.
Yeah, I don't know. I have to
Oh,
investigate like what the limit on labels is. It should be pretty big, like 1,000 words should be okay.
Oh, no, the server's about to restart.
I suppose it is. Hopefully, the save is not corrupted. Oh man. So you should all see like a screen that says disconnected server closed, right?
Oh yeah.
Oh
Yes.
man,
See that.
for the longest time, the disconnected screen, there was a bug where it didn't tell you what the reason for your disconnection was, and I finally
What the-
fixed that like last week. I'm so glad. But yeah, I didn't add
oh no.
chat message history when you join, because frankly, I was sort of trying to emulate Minecraft chat, but like be better than it. But there's really no reason not to see chat history when you join, so that's a great idea. Thank you.
Besides length. But
That should
you
not
can
be a
chat
problem
bits.
compared to, like modern bandwidth speeds should not have a problem transmitting,
I'm more worried about client-side performance rendering that much text.
Oh, that's true. So there should be a limit. There should
Text
be.
text is really expensive.
It
for
honestly
web
is. Yeah,
version.
I'm planning
Like,
to add.
really expensive.
I'm planning to add a length to the chat history anyways before messages start automatically getting deleted. You can already, if you go into the menu settings of the chat menu, there's a clear chat messages button. And I'm gonna at some point I'm gonna make it like automatically do that after some number of messages.
Is there a setting to change that for the console?
I made a teleporter to the weird 8 thing. Made a flag.
It's a pretty cool thing. I like it. Yeah, Cats, I'm planning to do the same thing with the console.
Okay,
It's
awesome.
called-
Is the chat message order authoritative? Like, is it?
No, it's not.
Because some. Okay.
That's a big word.
It's the wrong word. I used the wrong word. I suppose I should say like canonical. No, that's a company.
Oh. I'm doing a fun challenge. A logic world, but you can't touch the ground. But you can't touch the grass.
Interesting.
Just load up grid worlds and win.
But like, just you can't touch the floor. Like the whatever the world is.
Right.
The floor is lava mod.
I tried to play it right now. Oh, darn. Well, okay. Let's say flying is not allowed.
Hey Daniel,
Hi.
if you add boards underneath these, actually no, you can't because of how they're positioned currently, and that would take a lot of work to change. But if you were to be able to hide the insides, you could have like a little secret section under there. But because of how they're currently positioned, you wouldn't be able to cover those gaps very easily.
What? Oh.
I like how we're just all have the crouch set really tiny at this point.
I love it. No, don't push me.
I'm trying to walk through here and you kept pushing me.
Oh. Well, it is my house, so.
What does this circuit do?
You will see. It's almost done. It's almost ready.
Okay.
It's extremely
Yeah,
messy
I'm
and
gonna make this
disorganized, and
my
I'm a
learning
little
curve.
bit ashamed of it, but...
Did Jimmy just say he was ashamed of something?
Yes, I'm ashamed of this circuit. It's
Sad.
over-engineered and ugly and bad. Wait, what? That's not working properly.
Oh, I see what it is. Okay.
Yeah. But there's a greater purpose. There's a greater purpose behind the apparent functionality. You will see.
Okay.
Is that an 8-bit binary counter? Or something?
Yes, sir.
It's 12-bit.
What was that, Sten?
Ryan was in front of my binary counter,
Okay.
and it's 12 bits.
Nice. Well, my binary counter is way bigger and slower and less good than yours, so ha. Got him.
Size matters.
Wait, I can.
It looks cooler.
Thank you. One benefit to complexity.
It's interesting how when you first start off with something, something like this or programming or something,
what?
you
That-
might
okay.
see something that's big and think it's, oh, it's so impressive and so cool because it's big. But then as you can get better at it, you start
Bye
to
again, Ryan.
instead
Bye,
value
Ryan.
simplicity and smallness because like that takes even more effort to do and it like makes it better in the end.
Right.
It's so interesting.
I'll make a TV again on my wall.
Sick.
TV? It's a flat screen.
I'm here. Let me see it. Ooh, cool.
Epic.
Pass me the remote.
Who has just joined us?
I'm gonna make it on the table here. Welcome back, Ryan.
Hello. Sorry for the interruption. I'm coming back into the game. So please, can anyone sit
Okay,
still for
yep.
now so I can like.
Hey, cats, move as fast as you can.
No.
No, it's
Trying to load into the-
it should be just the world updates, not the player position updates that cause the bug.
Come on. I got
Alright.
an error that I've never seen before.
What's it say?
Tried to remove wire at W637, but there's no wire there.
Yeah, that's a world update bug. Just
I
try
hear,
connecting again.
I can hear Wooks in the background building stuff in his house.
Oh.
But he's not in the call.
Come on.
Oh, and the errors, the
Loading.
servers.
Oh. And we really
I'll be right
start
back.
with the load now. I'm sorry, it's funny.
Well,
Okay, I think I'm stuck in an infinite loop of the game is loading roll.
Okay, force
Indeed,
quit the
menu.
game and then restart it.
but the server's restarting anyways. So.
Oh, it is? Hey! Hooray.
Server's about to restart. Oh.
Is it? Oh, server restarting in 1 minute, you're
Yeah.
right. Yeah.
That's a natural stopping point for my stream anyways. I have to have dinner.
Fair enough.
I think that's funny. The game is loading roll.
Me too.
Sweet. Okay, I'm gonna finish this thing I've been building for like an hour and then I'm gonna peace out.
Why did someone place 1 billion purple flags?
That was Ryan
That was
thinking
Ryan
he's
being
funny.
mean to Jimmy.
Okay, you want this?
Well, that was abrupt.
This is like the best at game flags. Like whenever it goes up, it just looks like it's shrinking. With a gigantic flag though. Wait, I just thought of a challenge. I thought of a cool parkour challenge thing.
I would love to do parkour. Please build a parkour map and let's all race on it.
Okay, well, no, I mean, like, in the world right now, the
Oh.
challenge is go on the gigantic Mosat Games flagpole and jump off and try to land on the label of on the never gonna give you up label. And set your speed to like 30 or something like that when you sprint. So that way you can actually do it.
Do it.
Oh, yes, I did it! I did it! I went for the Mosat Games flag.
Congrats.
Stop.
By the way, the flags, I added a feature to flags where they are much harder to stand on top of than like a mount is, for instance. So the top of flagpoles is a spherical collider, whereas instead of a capsule collider, and that's a feature I added for parkour. So you're welcome, parkour people.
Yeah.
Hey, Ryan pushed me off. So
Right.
we do have mounts. Where? Oh, we do. We have
yeah.
mounts. Oh, hell yeah.
How
I
do you not
specifically
know?
noticed their lack of mounts earlier. Oh, but you can. Oh my goodness. I used to love using mounts as like get something up and over, or like put a through peg on it, and then like connect a bunch of stuff to it. Oh, it was such a useful little, and it looked cool. It was a hack, but it looked cool instead of being like. Oh, it has the same issue as boards. You have to have an empty hand to delete it or modify it. Can I verify, because I kept quoting it on stream, and I went and checked the message, and I verified that it seems to be what I thought it was. But I'm verifying with you that you said that you're going to improve the thing where you have to have an empty hand to be able to modify, grab, remove.
Yeah, I'm good. That's not a great
board.
flow right now. I'm gonna improve it.
Okay.
Jimmy, I'm not sure there's a way to
It's
fix
flickering
this,
every once in a while.
Yeah, I don't know why that is.
Jimmy, Jimmy.
Yes, Ryan.
I'm not sure if there's a way to fix this, but I just really find it annoying that like C is the crouch key, because it takes just makes it very hard to like crouch when you're like in the normal position that your hand is in.
It's literally move your index finger one key down from where it regularly is. Oh, you're like, oh, it might be just because you're young and your hands are small. No offense. I'm genuinely wondering if that's the reason.
Oh, yeah, one of my hands, I'm not told this, but one of my hands is a little bit broken. Like, meaning I can't use my mouse in that hand. It's like very small, like smaller than it should be. So, and then I do that for the keyboard, meaning like the C key is very far away from where I normally rest my hand. For me.
Okay. Thanks for the feedback. Appreciate it. Cats, I figured out what the flickering is a bug with my circuit, actually. It's that the counter, when it carries over, it like there's one or two ticks, or there's actually, because of the delayers that I added as a hacky solution, it's going to be 10 ticks of an incorrect output. So yeah, but you know what? It's art. I can do what I want.
I'm inside.
It looks very nice.
Thank you.
Oh, you can resize it with the. Oh, that makes me so happy. Oh, that's a bug. Okay, hold on. Is it stuck on? Okay. Interesting. So as it's changing color, if I open the board resize on it, and then wait a few seconds so it's like changed to some other color, and then I close it, it'll 50% of the time when I close it, it'll be on the correct color, but then it'll flash to the old color and then back to the correct color.
Oh yeah, that's a little weird. Also, I just found a bug where all the wires connected to the display disappeared. That's weird. It
is also that way on my end.
What? I just opened up the console and there's just a bunch of What?
On my end as well.
I have no idea.
Maybe Maybe that's a blue affecting it.
Jimmy, right
No,
better.
that's not game chat. That's an error in the vanilla game, and I'm certain that like it's either me or Pipe like added that there. We're thinking, okay, there's no way this will ever like be triggered, but if it is, there should be some message here. So I'm just gonna hit A instead of typing an actual error message.
Curb your error messages.
Yeah, okay, that needs to be fixed.
I haven't commented on this before, but I love the fact that someone made a shadow for this thing.
Oh, that's so cool. I didn't realize that's what
I
it
mean,
was,
it
but
doesn't
that's
match
awesome.
the actual shadow, but
Oh well.
is the server able to change the position of the sun in this world without like modifying the or the mod or something?
No, that's not a thing yet. It will be soon.
Wait, are you gonna add day-night cycle?
Probably not a night cycle, but yes, I plan to have the sun very slowly move across the sky.
Oh, that would be cool.
Jimmy, you knocked me off because I caught up with you.
Ha!
'Cause you're a slowpoke.
Alright, let's build something. There we go. Now,
Hey, oh damn it! I was about to grab it from out from underneath of you, so you'd fall through and then I'd place it back, but you jumped
Ha!
off.
Got him. No
okay,
spleefing
I
today.
have now built something on
Is that
top
Jimmy?
of the stairs.
Daniel,
These
this
are
is
really
Like-
janky stairs.
Yeah, who built the stairs? He's really
Like my
janky.
I thought it was you.
No, I didn't.
Please.
Jimmy's probably mad that I just use this game to be like The Sims, but
No, I
I'm
think
very
it's
happy.
awesome. You know what? The game was designed for logic, but if it's designed to be a good logic game, but if it's also a good Sims game, that's flippin' awesome. I love it. And I love this house. It's just wonderful. Oh, Dan, you might not know, so I see you've used a whole grid of displays here. You can resize displays.
Oh, you panel displays.
Yeah.
I know, I want to do something with them eventually.
Sweet. Well, I can't wait to see it.
But we'll see.
It's gonna be
We'll
tough
see
to
how
fit
that-
the wiring in the wall there.
That'd
Like, that'll be
cool.
tight.
That'd be cool if like a
Like a tiger. We are off
No,
screen
that'd
now,
be
right?
Yeah, we're not streaming. I am recording this, and I plan to upload an edited version to the Mouse Games YouTube channel as just like a stopgap
Oh no.
while I'm on vacation.
Oh my god, what's happening? I should be able to do all the wiring in the wall. I hope.
It'll be tight, but it should be doable.
Like a tiger.
Is that a reference I don't get?
It's a reference to Austin Powers.
Oh, okay,
Go
yeah.
Gold member.
Right.
Toy like
right.
a tiger. Okay, no clip looks so weird.
It does.
Ryan's helping you out with the wiring.
Hey, nice. Yeah, you can see a little bit of Ryan's
Thank you, Ryan.
body from the other side of the wall, and it looks it's interesting.
Damn, boy.
Look at it go.
Is there a setting to show name tags through walls?
No, there is not, but that's a great suggestion.
Thank you, Ryan.
I
We
will
now
add
have
that
a
to
blue
feedback.
screen of death.
Beautiful.
I love it.
Like, turn on the computer. Serious errors occur. Oh.
Don't you just hate when serious errors occur?
I actually do hate that. I wish that did not happen.
Is it? Okay, look.
Ryan, just a little bit of your head was poking through the floor, and your name tag was attached to it, so there's just like a rye just flying around in the floor.
Wait, someone changed Daniel. Who changed Daniel's flag to the North Korea one?
Oh, that was me.
Dear.
That was me. That was to signify authoritarianism in this household.
Red, what's the problem with your stuff?
Jimmy?
Oh, this is much more optimized than mine was. Yes, cats.
The fact that I understand that you're removing flags as they are now, but the fact that there isn't a Nyan cat flag saddens me greatly.
I invite you to mod it in. Flag mods might be the easiest mod to make. Oh, what's up here? Absolutely nothing. Very cool.
What's up where? Oh, here. I just go and make it a platform at the top of the stairs. What should we build on this gigantic platform that somehow doesn't fall down?
I suggest, like, a ring of chairs, one of which is on a podium, like a grand council kind of thing. And have, like, flashy lights and shit.
I'm renting out rooms in my house.
Yo, Ryan, is this your program counter down
Jimmy,
here?
Question.
Sorry, Cats first. Yes, Cats?
No, you answer him and then you can come over here and because I have a question. But actually, I'm gonna just copy the flag and then Daniel can set it back to whatever he wants. So I'll put that down and I'll put it back to North
Great.
Korea for you.
Yeah.
What's the question?
Hold on, what do I search for North Korea? It's none of its.
It should be its country code.
Oh, I have that issue.
I'm pretty sure.
Okay, I'll just let you fix it.
Yeah, but if I
This-
straight up
this
type in
is, like,
Canada, like
really
nothing
vague,
appears
but it's
either.
not
So
easy, but I don't know.
So is this supposed to be what flag is this supposed to be, Jimbo? I'm curious because it.
I have no
What
idea. You'd have to
flag?
look in
I
the game
see.
files.
Because there's no hover on any of these. Like you can't hover
No.
on and see country code or country name.
No, you cannot. I think it might be
Spell
one of the
something else.
provinces of the Netherlands.
Rotate the chair. Rotate my chair. Yeah. That's funny. Someone
something
can
I was
rotate
thinking.
the chair you're sitting there.
Something I was thinking about earlier is you
bro.
can't hover on.
I
Oh,
I
Ryan
had an
crashed.
error, guys. Apparently, don't rotate a chair while sitting in it. The player will
guys,
get an error.
come look
Oh,
at the thing
yeah,
I
that
just
would
built that
cause
looks
an
kinda
error.
cool.
Thanks for finding that, Ryan. Can you write it down so I can fix it when I'm back?
So, like the chair rotating, right?
Yeah, you can't. If a chair is rotated or moved while a player is sitting in it, or deleted, then the player sitting in it will crash. I'm pretty sure.
Okay.
So I just clicked on a chair and it said this chair is occupied, but I'm sitting in it now, and
Oh
there
yeah,
was no
I
one
had
in it.
that.
Yeah, that's
Do
weird.
you like my loading wheel?
It is
Okay,
very
I'm-
nice. I thought it was a clock. Is it a clock?
No, it's a loading wheel.
What's loading?
I don't know.
Ryan, is this
Okay.
your program counter over here?
Is it intentional? Is it intentional
Oh,
that
I was
the
right. Okay, very fast. I'm
Hold on,
writing
I'm gonna
the.
get out of the chair. Is it intentional that these three like all come on at once?
I think that's server lag. I used a monostable circuit to start it, and there should only be one activated at a time. It's
Okay,
just
I'm
server
activating.
lag.
Jimmy. What do you want?
So-
This
Activate
thing
mode?
this thing over
Oh,
here.
So the rest of them animate smoothly, but
Yeah.
like the top two over here, and sometimes the
Wait.
third one over here, they like come on at once.
Yeah,
Come
this
on,
is my program.
don't tell Jimmy anything. Jimmy, do you see a problem? Because if you don't, then that means I'm imagining.
Looks fine to me.
No, I see it too.
Okay.
Oh,
I think it's just
oh
a server
yeah.
thing.
On the
too.
very top, the 4 come on instead of 3. Yeah.
It's just a server thing.
Or it might be a bug with the simulation code. That's entirely possible.
Yeah. I don't know. Whatever. It's
Yeah.
a loading wheel, anyways.
Yee. Yeah, if you can like isolate the bug and figure out exactly what's going wrong, then either you'll find a bug with your circuit or you can find a bug to report to me. But anyways.
In a minute, I'm able to sit in the chair. Someone else is sitting. I was able to sit in this. Like 2 people can sit in the chair. It seems.
That's illegal. You're not allowed to do that. Oh my god, that looks so weird.
Oh look at that! Look at look.
Holy
look.
crap.
Why is there a gangbang happening in my living room?
Oh God.
Oh my god, I'm inside of Stinaudion. Not in a weird way though.
Oh, I am too.
Someone sit in my.
Underneath them. I'm
sit in the
underneath
I
chair.
them.
specifically added code so exactly this would not happen. God damn it.
I can't get in it when Daniel's in it
Don't
though. Now I can get in it.
itself.
That's
I guess.
strange.
Oh yeah, now I
I'm not
can't get in
having
the
an
chair
issue.
again. That's odd.
I
Add
fixed
more
it.
chairs
I fixed
so we
it. You're
don't end
welcome.
up with this.
However, every time I get in it, it says this chair is occupied and plays a little tone, but then I'm in it. So
That's so weird.
keep pressing shift to try to get out of the seat because I'm like used to minecarts and boats and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
But it's escape. Which
Yeah.
I know the logic why, and like crouch shift isn't even the default for crouch, but it's just like my brain is used to that.
Yeah, I'm gonna make it getting chairs are a little bit janky right now. The biggest feature I want to add to chairs is you should be able to use chat while you're in a chair, and you can't right now.
Oh, but what about the tech key thing?
The what, Ryan?
Oh. But what about like if you want to press the chat key while you're in the chair, like key bound to the chat?
Oh, that's a good point. Maybe I'll have like, yeah, that's a problem that I will think about.
Pressing Control and T.
What's that?
What if
Pressing Control T for chat while you're in a chair, just so it's
That's
like
that's an idea. Yeah.
if you want to use something as a T. I don't know.
I have chat bound to enter.
Yeah, I
have
actually.
it bound to like a Slack.
Cats, I originally had chat bound to T or enter by default, but that conflicted with the default key binding, like actual key components, which is by default enter. And so when you were doing that, it was opening chat, which is obviously not ideal.
Sten is having a rave party outside the window.
Oh my god.
Where?
Why do you stop?
I went in.
Come on,
Oh my goodness.
Okay, I'm out.
Jimmy, are you in the chair or not?
Oh, this is. What a perfect game I've created. This is beautiful.
Hey
a
Jimmy,
good meme.
the bottom of the chair has collision. Even like I can't go underneath this.
Oh yeah, it does. The hitbox is not.
Fix your game. Fix your game.
You know what, cats? I never even considered that someone might become super tiny and want to go underneath a chair. Thanks for finding that use case.
I mean, this is just like 0.1.
Oh.
Someone deleted it while Jimmy was in it and crashed it.
Dang it. All right, we're fine. It's all
Guys,
good.
making a chair loop. People come into my chair loop, and then we can all just have fun going around the chair loop.
Where's the chair loop?
Here, it's here. Look, I built it.
I don't know where you are, so like that tells me nothing.
Okay, go behind Daniel's house.
Oh.
Behind Daniel's
You're not allowed by that. Oh, I'm sorry.
You're
I'm sorry.
you're a
I'm
literal
sorry.
NIMBY.
I'm sorry.
Get off my lawn.
You like it?
Wow, this is glorious to witness. I'm just gonna disable the UI and just sit here and watch you. New screensaver.
Oh.
I thought it was named for it, the cherry go round.
Ha! That's good.
So what's happening over
musical.
here?
Oh, musical chairs, but if you lose, you get crashed because Actually, Jimmy could just like stand there and then press R eventually, and whoever's there just freaking dies.
Yeah, close my eye. Look at a chair, close my eyes, and then press
What
R
happens
randomly.
if I start moving
Do
the
it.
board? What happens if I start moving the
Yeah,
board well?
No, don't do
Yeah,
that.
that'll crash them. Don't do that. Or Daniel, you should be able to start
Yeah, I
moving
figured
it,
it out.
but
I
you
don't trust you.
The cherry go round right now. Is it just me?
no, there's 3 in it at the moment.
Awesome.
Oh my god, okay.
Everyone in the entire server going the cherry go round.
Okay, that was hilarious. I think I was the only one who saw that. But what happened was Ryan stopped going around, and then that caused a holdup. Like, everybody bumped
I
into
saw
him.
that.
And then Ryan turned
couldn't tell if that
around,
was
looked
server lag or
behind
not.
him, and then kept going, and then changed. It was hilarious.
I couldn't tell if that was server lag or not, but I did see that. Oh, they're going through me.
Yeah,
Help, Jimmy,
Yeah,
help me.
I apparently
Jimmy,
need to
help
fix
me.
this shit.
Help me, I'm getting abused in
I'm
ways I do
sorry.
not like. Okay, I have a slightly out.
I made the new best. I made the first logic run carnival run.
I guess
Yes,
you
you
did.
did.
Well done.
I have a
That
slightly
was just
out of
use an auto clicker, so we don't have to constantly click.
Whoa!
I have a slightly outside the box idea for chairs.
Go on.
Now I'm not entirely fond of this idea, but it might be useful. When they get in the chair, it like flings you. Whoa! We can make a player launcher.
Oh
Hold on.
man, it just flung me. It was awesome.
When you're in the chair, what if you disable like mouse look, so you can only look straight ahead, but then you have buttons for exiting the chair, and then all the buttons are. That's not a thing I'm like
Yeah.
as an idea, but it's an idea that might be willing to like be a ceiling for something.
Yeah, I might add like
look around.
I might add like a keybind to unlock
look
the
around
mouse,
is
something like
important.
that. I don't know. Anyways, if you stand like here-ish, then when Ryan crashes into you, then you go flying, and it's wonderful.
Anyways,
Whee!
okay. So it's
This is
cool
some
though.
bullshit
I
he's
have
on.
the cherry go. That'd be funny. How Jimmy, like
Whee!
everyone but Jimmy, go into the cheering around. The Jimmy just deletes a random chair
No,
until someone game crashes.
I'm not gonna do that.
Aww.
Touring off the chairs. They actually have pretty interesting hitboxes.
Oh, hey.
All right.
Now I know
I'm gonna head
I'm
out
going
soon.
back into my head.
But I think as the last thing I do here, Ryan, I would like you to show me your program counter. Come over here.
Okay. So this is the counter. So I need to actually add some switches and such to it.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna whoopsies, not that big. I need to
Whoa.
so basically we had 8 switches here for the jump location, right? And then we have to add 2 other, the jump enable and then the enable. So now we can quickly connect this up to here and have
What?
it work. And then we have 2, 3, 4,
What?
5, 6, 7. So this is the output. See here, right? So
Okay.
right now, let's see. Okay, so right now, look at here, and it's at line 1. Right?
Yep.
So if you just press the enable, it will increment it, as you see here.
Beautiful.
Right.
That is like so much smaller than the binary counter I built. It's hilarious how much.
Now, here's
Okay,
the
yeah.
thing. Not only is that, but it's also a program counter.
Yeah,
what you
yeah.
can do is someone me, you can like do this. Let's say I want to go to line 01010101. Now
Okay.
do this. We turn on the jump enable.
Oh.
See here now. It broke.
Oh, it broke.
Why is it broke?
Sad.
Sad indeed.
I think I might have. Yeah, there were some issues. I think I might have saved the version that was slightly broken, and I have a fix in my own world, but I might check just to make sure it actually works. But it should work.
Oh well.
Should have worked.
Well,
Ryan,
regardless, it's very
you
cool.
Never cease to amaze me.
Same here. This is ridiculously small. I feel I could spend like 10 hours trying to make a counter this small and not even come close. Oh man. Very
And,
cool.
it's so neat as well.
Yeah.
The design is like very neat.
It's-
I top on red by accident.
It's tidy and beautiful and oh my goodness. Really awesome work, Ryan.
Yeah.
Despite the
It's
present
cherry
bug.
cool.
Ha.
Yeah. It should be fixed in a version in my world.
Is there a minimum pulse length for the count up?
I have not checked that yet.
Okay, so probably.
So let's wait. Okay, I'm gonna do something. What was it? Oh, come on! Oh. Can someone set the simulation rate to 1 tick per second so we
Only
can test
Woo,
this out?
only WooX can do that. I'll send a message.
Oh,
Oh, Woox has an interesting
Does the
face.
simulation rate support?
Okay, so I think is the simulation rate at 1 now?
Looks
Okay.
like it, yeah.
Yeah, now we can check it out. So now so come on back to my program
Yep.
counter, and let's go. And let's see what it does. Okay, great. Oh, I think it actually worked.
Hey!
I think it actually worked.
That's amazing. Congratulations, sir. Katz, you had a question. You said, does the server simulation rate support?
Like 0.5 to do like 1 tick every 2 seconds.
Yes, it does. And I think
Awesome.
it should also support rational numbers. Like, you should be able to do 1 divided by 3.
Oh damn.
Because it uses the same parser for floating point numbers that Suck uses, and Suck supports rationals. I'm not sure about that, but it should work.
That reminds me. So this is not like a thing I'm expecting you to do, but it's something that a lot of programs I really like do. If you go into the settings and you're like changing a numerical value textually, some programs let you do like 5 and then you go like times 20 and it does the thing.
Right. So that's an issue currently open on the Suck repo. I tried it for a bit and it was like really complicated and didn't work. But I do plan to add that.
Oh, so if Suck supported constant expressions, then those inputs would as well?
Yes.
Awesome. That makes me very happy.
I am glad.
Repo, no cap.
What was the issue you were having specifically?
Are you talking to me? Oh, the issue is just that it's very complicated and difficult, and I'm not like an expert at text parsing. I actually might be an expert at text parsing now that I've written the Markdown renderer, so maybe I'll give another crack at it. Here, Red, teleport to the top.
I just got flung.
You got what?
Flung when you teleport it.
Oh, nice. Okay,
Oh,
Red.
no, I'm still getting flung.
Okay, no flying. First person to fall off loses. Got it? Okay, 3, 2, 1, begin.
Where are you guys? Are you up there?
We're on top of the tower. Stay out of our fight. This is between me and Red. I'm gonna fucking knock you off.
What?
What's this?
Language.
Lord, the battle of the stream.
Where'd he
The
go?
stream died.
Where's he hiding?
Uh,
Did I win? Did I get him
Red,
off?
Yeah,
Hey!
you did.
Repo! 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 Repo!
How were you fighting? Like,
Okay.
I missed the entire thing 'cause I was trying to fly up.
Oh my god, Red! Yeah, if you
that's how
press V, you
won,
fall
I
through it.
guess.
Yeah, okay, so the way I was trying to fight... The way I was...
Hold on, I must go. My people need me.
I love it.
Okay, so Cats, the way I was trying to fight is that you can push other players if they are standing and you are crouched. So I was trying to crouch underneath Red while he was standing to push him off. It's very ineffective, but it's the only way I know of to fight.
Hey, hold on. Watch this. Hold on. Wait for it. Hold on.
I'm waiting.
Hey, Jimmy.
Hey, Cats.
Spaces versus tabs. Actually, you can just delete the freaking board, and then you'd fall off too. Hey! Tabs
Got
win!
him.
He fell.
This is not officially recognized by the Suck committee on whether we are gonna add tabs or not.
I'm legit thinking about just like taking a day and adding proper tab support to Suck just to like say screw you.
If you do it, I'll merge it. I just don't want to deal with the code complexity, and I fucking hate tabs.
It's like 10 lines of code to properly handle column count for tabs.
I don't care. I don't want
It's
to
more
do it.
complicated to deal with actual characters. Like the rest of Unicode is more complicated.
Okay, but I don't have to worry about the rest of Unicode because I'm using C#'s built-in text parsing.
No. How are you counting column? How are you counting column?
Number of spaces.
Wrong. actually, for spaces specifically, yes. If you're counting, if you like have a parse error partway into the content, the actual non-white space, and you're counting by characters, it's incorrect.
Oh, well, I don't do that. Oh, God. You pushed me through the wall. I didn't know you could do that. Wow.
Oh, right. Oh, right, I forget. Right, because you don't have actual proper parsing errors. So you don't have to deal with that yet.
Not yet.
The Florida murders, guys.
But once you get to, like, parse errors that, like, know where in the content they are, if you're just counting column by, like, character
Right.
count, even if you don't
Right.
it's still wrong. Yeah, that's totally wrong.
Yeah, you're totally
Because
right.
there are...
Oh, shit.
And also even if multiple code point graphemes didn't exist, even if you didn't have to worry about multi-character graphemes, multi-code point graphemes, right? Which is, like, reasonable to not think about that. C# still screwed you because it's UTF-16 strings. So there are code points, single code points that are valid characters that will take 2 entries in your string.
That's
that's
weird.
still wrong. Which is why I'm like, UTF-16 is objectively incorrect. Like, it takes more space for data that can be There are apparently some hacks in, like, some specific Asian languages that you can, like, fit 8 3-byte characters into 2 bytes with UTF-16 if you, like, hack it in the right way, but it takes more space for Latin text, and it still has the wrong counting for stuff that's more complicated. So you still have to, like, have a proper library to handle it, so...
Here we are. Look at the inverter box, guys. Everything in this box is inverters, except for this one segment at the wall where I place display for some reason. Come in here to have an inverter of a time. Have you seen the inside of the box yet?
It's quite something. Oh, what is this? Oh my, Ryan, did you do this?
What?
Hey, who did that?
LMAO.
Is there a tiny
did
person
what?
hiding somewhere around here?
I see. Wait, I can't see.
They're down at the ground.
Yeah, I was standing.
What are you talking about?
I was standing on a label that contained the first verse to Rick Astley's hit single "Never Gonna Give You Up," and I was standing on top of it when this motherfucker just spleefed me and deleted it as I was standing on it, and I fell down. Your beautiful art, Ryan.
They deleted Never Gonna Give You Up. Oh, come on. Why did you delete
Yes,
Never
okay.
Gonna Give You Up?
Red, I'm planning to record that today, or at least do a test recording. I've been practicing the song almost every day. It's gonna be great.
I'm so looking forward to this.
Oh, my clock stopped working. Or was the tick rate set to 1 and it hasn't changed? Well.
All right.
Jimmy, come look inside the inverter box.
I am coming. It would help if you placed a flag there.
Welcome to my headset.
Okay, I think someone placed a flag inside here. The box. Okay, it's called the box. Go teleport to the box.
Okay. I don't see it in the list. Did you turn on teleport, including teleport list?
Oh wait. Okay, there we go. That's weird. It's not showing up.
Yeah, it's not.
That is weird.
Okay, let me try another one.
You may have found a bug.
Let me. What?
Oh wow, my console is spammed with again.
I think the flag is like in a state of half existing.
Oh wow.
Like, the game is having existential dread in the console. Don't mind it.
Okay.
This is quite something.
Okay, I've made it. It's not working. Okay, I can't teleport inside the box. Okay, I took him to the box.
Yeah, that's weird.
Oh no. So yeah, welcome to the box. How do you like it?
It's like nothing I've ever seen before.
Have you had? Are you so far having an inverter of a time?
You know it, babe.
Jimmy, I found a bug that is actually interesting, and I figured it would be a bug.
Tell me about it.
So if you teleport to a flag that's above the ground, if you try and teleport to another flag again, frame perfect when you hit the ground, it won't let you teleport to another flag.
What? Can you repeat that, please?
Okay, so teleport to a flag above the ground.
Okay. Like you want me to do that right now?
If you open the flag menu... No, I'm telling you what I'm doing.
Okay, okay.
Teleport to a flag that's above the ground, and then right when you hit the ground, click another flag to teleport to. It won't let you.
Huh. Oh, okay, yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, that'll be fixed. I'm planning some changes to how teleports work, and that'll be fixed when I do those, so, yeah. Thank you, though.
Oh, okay. I can still teleport while falling, but
Mm-hmm.
it's just immediately when I hit the ground.
Okay,
I have a slightly... Never
It
mind, never
wasn't.
mind.
It's not meant to be a meaningful bug report, and honestly, the frequency in which that would happen is probably so low it doesn't even matter.
but
It was just something
but
funny.
it's still interesting, yeah. What were you saying, Cats?
That's why.
No, never mind. It's not important.
All right. I think I'm gonna head off now. I have been recording this, and I'm gonna edit it a little bit, like hide Woo, 'cause I pee and put it on YouTube. For the final shot of the video, do you want to go down to Ryan's house and just like have a shot of you all like waving your heads goodbye?
Okay, I have to find
This is so sad. Can we get
Okay,
be
but
like?
just before we do that, we need to change the flag back,
Sure.
right? Okay, the flag's back to normal. So we're all okay. Everyone come here. And then okay, blue X, red. Everyone here, but right?
I think so. Okay, everybody wave goodbye.
Hold on.
Like this.
Yeah, that's beautiful. Oh, and my game crashed. What a perfect way to end the video. Oh.
That's amazing.